Hey yo, what's up? What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Hey John, where I jabber opportunities nonstop. All right, I cover the fundamentals, and AKA the news. I cover the technicals. I do it live for you in this live stream currently, folks. All right, I cover live technical analysis. All right, I give you the play by play. Nowhere else will you find this kind of stuff for you guys for 4 easy payments of free. If you want to redeem the special offer, you just need to smash that subscribe button. It's that easy, folks. That easy. All right. I've also purchased a blockchain software where I can look into the blockchain, summarizing the data for you guys, and therefore being able to see where are the bag holders, where are the support and resistance based on that. So, what's a crack and lacking, my peoples? How are you all doing? What's up? Your boy's back. Your boy John is back. What's up? What's up? Happy to stream with you guys right now. What's up? What's up? Everyone, what's okay? What's up? Hector, what's up? TC Title Letters and Super Dude, Dylan, Jenny Wynn, DJ Doge up in the house. DJ Doge. Let's see what we got here. We got Wolf Nas, Yoel Bittin, Mark Matters, Paul Johnson, Michael Defer, Najed Imad, Klaus Clausen, Connor Rockhill, James Quinteros, C. Barone, Anthony Rizzo up in his joint, Rizzo, Nahuman Ankanum, Divine Magnolia, King Depp, we got Dylan, Mr. Deuce up in the joint, Gab Barnes. Let's see here, who else we got here? Let's see, whoop, lost my place there. Wolf Nas, Madden Aus 83, JC, Jesse Ruiz, Christina Owen, Bobby M, Connor Rockhill, Michael Diaz. Let's see here. I cannot read I think Farsi, so I can't read that. Maiden Aus 83, Nicholas WM, Harris Malik. We got Travis Downey. We got you. Can't see that part of it, you know. We got DD Go, B Morton, fantastic. Sir Kevlar, Indy Lacoste. Holy moly. Holy moly. What's up, everybody? We got Judah Zemgande. We got King Depp. We got Adam Cassiv. Joseph Nelson. Yo. What's up, my brother? Yoel Bittin. We got Tanya Tanya Itesam. Sorry if I said that wrong. We got John 1000 up in his joint, man. John 1000 is one of my day one people, man. Never forget that guy. John 1000. One of your favorite hey boy, you know, your boy Hey John here. John 1000. Love that guy. Thank you for your beginning support when I was just a teeny tiny little baby. Eduardo Romero. We got R. Strickland, Michael Diaz. We got Dwayne Larive, Johnny Boy, Yisop Lee, Kalosha, J Mid, Bix Soontorn, Adam, DJ Doge, Eduardo. All right. Oh, we got the Grinch up and joint. We got the Grinch. We got the Grinch. We got the Grinch. Don't worry, folks. We will start very soon, okay? We will start very soon. I just want to give everyone a quick shout out, you know what I'm saying? I just want to give everyone a quick shout out because you are my notification squad, right? You know what I'm saying? You guys are the first ones to jump in, so you know I want to give you guys a quick shout out and show some love to you guys because you know without you, notification squad, it's hard to be talking to the wall to myself, you know. So I appreciate you guys very much. And that's why I want to take a few minutes before you start and say what's up, and give you all a shout out. You know what I'm saying? Of course, if I miss your name, well, you know what? It is not on purpose. It is because there are a lot of names, folks. So please understand that. Okay. We got Lee Kendall. We got Judah Zemingada. We got Spread the Love. Josue Lopez. Eddie Penn up in the joint. We got Drex. Clamp up 098. Big win. Guy Patricia, Kenneth Kinsinger. Woo to Kenneth Kinsinger. We got Max. We got Michael Lynn. We got El Cabo 85. We got Jerry. We got money bags. Okay, we got money bags in the joint, folks. We got money bags. We got Abbott Judy. All right. All right. Yo, Bitten 2000. Yo, Bitten 2000. Leo Fatty, Eddie Penn. What's up, Key Air? Okay. What's up to all my day? What is up to all of my Hey John notification squad? How are you all doing? Your boy is saying what's up? What's up? How you doing? I hope you are all having a phenomenal day. All right. Hope you are having a phenomenal day. All right, baby. Let's go. Let's start with the sticks here, okay, right, folks? Let's go from the A through Z, okay? Let's go, baby. Let's go. By the way, if y'all here and you are my notification squad, all right? Smash some likes, folks, all right? Because you guys are my notification squad, and you folks are the stuff, you know. You guys are the best. So everyone here, I see 250 folks. I need to see 250 likes. Go do it right now. Show your boy some love. Okay, okay, okay. Wow, woo, let's get to it. Wow, woo, let's get to it. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir, yes, sir. How are you all doing? Smash the like right now, and let's get to it. All right, your boy is gonna start reading the chat, and he's gonna start doing the charts for you. So while your boy is doing the charts, do him a favor by showing some love by smashing that like button. It is not hard. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. All right. So we are on the daily so far. The daily. All right. All right. So currently, the volume for yesterday was pretty abysmal, right? About 586 million, right? The previous day on 420 day was about 1.43 billion. Big difference, right? 586 the following day after that. So you're seeing a big difference in volume there. So, you know, it is what it is. So as I mentioned to you guys, volume confirmation is everything, and we're seeing a volume decrease almost by, I would say, just for simplicity's sake, a third. Obviously, I'm estimating and running up here, but it's about a third of the volume from the previous day. So you're seeing a big drop in volume, and why is that? Because the day traders are done. All right, the 420 rumors are done, and all the day traders knew it was coming. And your boy was telling you guys, hey, on 420, we're going to see some extreme volatility. And guess what? Fortunes are going to be made depending on how you play that day. If you're a bull, there was money to be made. If you're a bear, there is money to be made. That is what day traders love, folks. Day traders love that volatility. Volatility is moolah for a day trader. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, currently, we are seeing the histogram decrease on a pretty strong downward trend, in my opinion, over here. So we're seeing a 0.347, 0.299, about a 0.005 velocity, right? 0.299 to 0.3. It's still continuing to 0.005. And now we're seeing an increase now from 0.005 to a 0.0, let's see here, 107, about a 0.006 velocity decrease now. So anything, the bears are actually taking control, and we are moving down at a faster rate now. So this tells me, the bears are excited. So this tells me the bears are actually accelerating their control. So the bulls are clearly in. So that means the bulls are clearly asleep right now. Okay, that's what it means. The bulls are clearly asleep, and the trend is definitely bearish on a short term currently. Definitely bearish on a short term. Okay, when I say this, by no means am I trying to fearmonger you to have you sell. I'm just giving you the bullish perspective and the bearish perspective, and I'm telling you the good, the bad, the ugly, to make sure you go through this trade or investment not blindsided. Okay. Again, I am not trying to fearmonger you, but you need to know what is going on, folks. Okay. You need to know what's going on because you cannot be half blind. It is not good for you. All right, let's get to it now. All right, folks, smash that like button, folks. I see about 400 folks up in the joint. I see 400 folks. Smash that like button right now, please, right now. All right, then. So again, the histogram is showing bearish perspective here for sure, and it's being supported by histogram. You can see the 12-day moving average currently coming down, right? Before this morning, when I made the first live stream here, we were seeing it do this, right? It was kind of flat. Now it's kind of coming down now. So you're seeing a difference now. All right. So 12-day moving average is now going down. So that means in the short term, the bears are definitely in control. Okay. the 26-day moving average is starting to decline its upward trajectory velocity. So that means that means the bulls are starting to slow down and they are starting to lose control on a longer trend on the MACD here, on a daily MACD. JCG, I put 2.2K at 39 cents. I'm down 650 right now. Pleading face, sad face. Wait, disappointed face and heartbroken. At JCG, I just hope you didn't go all in, brother. All right, because I can assure you, we are going to see some dip buying opportunities. All right, you guys can hate the bears, but you should thank them for dip buying opportunities. All right, you can see a glass as half full or half empty. I prefer to see it as half full. So I mean, it's all your mindset. How do you want to see things? That's very important if you're trading, investing. Your mindset is everything, folks. So you need to work on that, folks. All right, let's go back to it now. The 12 MA is coming down here, right? So currently, the short term is bearish in control currently. We're seeing a slowdown on a 26 MACD, which is telling me the bulls are starting to lose control on the longer time frame on the daily MACD. All right, folks. All right, let me go and show you a few scenarios here. Okay, if we can see something like this happen unfolded here, right? If we can see this unfold, this means we're going to see a higher low and a higher high in a new term. Okay, that's what it means. All right. If this one unfolds, right? If this one unfolds, okay, so we have the yellow line and the green line. The yellow line means we will see a higher low and a possible new support zone. And then if that happens, we're going to see a higher high in the near-term future. But understand, this is the daily chart, folks. Daily chart. Look at this here, folks. Just to give you a quick explanation. This can take up to a month to occur, okay, folks? Up to a month, all right? 3 to 4 weeks, possibly. So you need to be patient, folks. The sales are coming. You just need to be patient and watching and tuning in when I give you this analysis, because day after day, these things change, and you need to be aware of the changes so you can find the best and most prominent opportunities to buy the dips, folks. All right, I see over 600 people up in a joint. I need to see 600 likes, folks. Smash them 600 likes, folks. Do it now, please. Do it now, okay? So again, I just wanted to highlight that to you, because as you know, it can take quite a bit of time to reset, folks. All right. So understand, the daily can take up to a month, folks. So be careful and stay safe. All right. If the green line scenario happens, that means we're gonna see a really big breakdown. And honestly, that as a bull, that is not what you want to see. All right, folks. But do understand, this is a daily time frame, and it's gonna take many days, because one day means one candlestick. All right. So I would say this can take up to about 3. Well, you know what? At least 2 weeks, up to maybe a few months sometimes. 2 to 5 weeks possibly. And you need to be watching this like a hawk, all right? If you bought high, right? You need to be watching this like a hawk to make sure you get some good dip buying opportunities, all right, folks? So bear that in mind, all right? The bears are definitely in control on the short term, all right, folks? The bears are definitely in control on the short term, and we are starting to see the longer term bull is still bullish. All right, long term is still bullish, but we are seeing inklings of the bulls starting to give control back. So we need to be aware of it. All right, we need to be aware of it, and I'm not fear mongering. I'm just saying, hey man, make sure you are aware of it so you can plan accordingly. And by the way, if you know what's going on, when you see these moves happen, you're less likely to be panicked or anything. Spread the love. Should we sell high and then buy it back low, or just set the sell limit at 22, or just buy at the low, average at 32? Wait, one more time. Should we sell high and then buy it back at low, or just set the sell limit to 22, or just buy it at the low, average at 32? Well, as for the love, I don't give financial advice on what to do, but I will say that we are currently in the bearish trend here, so that means you're going to see lower lows in the near-term future if this current trend continues. And currently, like I just said to you, all you guys here, that the 12 MACD is starting to come down. So that means the bears are in temporary control, and the 26 moving average is kind of decreasing its velocity from an upward trend. So this means on the long term, the bulls are losing some momentum. But understand, this is the daily chart, and this is the one that determines the trend. Okay, folks. All right. So we're seeing the bears starting to take full control now. That is what it means. So if it just continues the way it is, then well, you can make your own determination of what you think gonna happen, folks. Again, not fear mongering, okay? Not fear mongering. Just trying to explain to you guys the good, the bad, the ugly. All right. Let's smash them like buttons real quick. All right. We have 800 beautiful ladies and gentlemen here. Okay. We have 800 people here. Beautiful ladies and gentlemen. The reason why you want to smash a like button is so we can educate more people, right? When a YouTube algorithm gets more likes, and guess what? We get more people here who can possibly invest. Okay, we get people coming here, right? They're new to Dogecoin. They're new to cryptocurrencies, and what you want to do is educate them. That is what your boy is doing right now. Okay, educating people here, giving them facts. All right, all data driven, and the more people we educate, the more likely they want to invest in Dogecoin. And when they do that, your personal investment will go up because we will have more hodlers, more holders. All right. So believe me, this benefits you. All right. Believe me, this will benefit you in the long term. Right. Because hey, you know what? We may get someone with deep pockets, and booyah, it can be a nice change for your pocketbook. All right. So all right, going back to the thing right here, the charts now. We are seeing the 50 over the 200, folks, all right, which is still obviously bullish. The 50 is currently at 10 cents, and 200 is about 37, I mean, 0.037. So we are seeing a huge discrepancy between the current 50 MA and what's the current sticks here, okay? We are seeing about a 20-cent difference from the current 50-day moving average. So obviously, you know, anywhere we consolidate from here to here, okay, is going to bring up that 50-day moving average long term, folks. So do not be concerned. Long term is still very bullish, folks. All right, smash them likes, folks. Smash them likes. Do not be concerned. Don't be fearful. Okay, we want to spread these videos out. We want to share this knowledge with people because when you spread more knowledge, we get more investors. All right, your boy is trying to create more investors. Okay, not day traders, more investors. All right, more investors means the float gets reduced, and it's easier to push the price up, folks. It is that simple. No magic tricks. Just simple math and simple numbers, folks. All right, then now we are going to go into the 4-hour chart. Now let's see what's going on, folks. All right, on the 4-hour chart, it looks like the bulls are starting to wake up, folks. All right, on the 4-hour chart, it looks like the bulls are starting to wake up, but at a very, very slow trajectory, which is saying the bullish movement is weak. All right, the bullish movement is weak up right now. And and you guys see it here. You guys see it here, right? There's this pink circle I drew for you guys a few days already. Maybe I just maybe like I don't know when, maybe a day or two ago. I'm not even too sure, man. But it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter when I drew it though, because when I drew it, I was saying, hey guys and gals, that if we can consolidate around in this pink range here for the most part, over time we can break back up to the upside. And currently we are seeing the trend here starting to consolidate around here in this pink circle here, folks. All right. And the fact that we are seeing the 4-hour MACD starting to trend back up, it is looking pretty good in my opinion, folks. Looking pretty good in my opinion. But currently, for the 12 to 26, they are both pointing down, straight down. So the velocity is very strong. And the current velocity, it says the bears are in full control. But based on the histogram, you're seeing inklings of bullish life. So that means the bulls are starting to wake up right now. The bulls are starting to wake up. They are barely starting their bullish activity. All right. But again, it's hard to say. We need to watch how it plays out. The fact that we're seeing such slow movement on a 4-hour chart is saying, hey, you know what? The bulls look like they might not make it too far, and the bears will resume control sooner rather than later. Alrighty then. So again, I just want to emphasize that And even though we are starting to see some bullish activity on the 4-hour chart, the fact that the 12 and 26 aren't even twitching a little bit, that just tells me that the bullish movement is very, very weak. And you know, if anything, this is probably going to be a set up to break back down. All right, very, very curious, folks. Very, very curious. All right, but again, I'm telling you right now about this activity here. So again, even though it looks bullish, but I would say it is not bullish at all nature. If anything, this is probably a bear flag, all right, folks? If anything, this is probably a bear flag, in my opinion, on a shorter time frame here. So what is a bear flag, folks? Just want to give you a quick idea of it, all right? So imagine, when I say short term, okay, this is what I mean, all right, folks? Let me draw this a green line for you, okay, folks? Let me try to, from here to here, okay? Wait, let me do it. Let me use this instead. It's probably easier. There you go. All right. Okay, let's make it different color. Not green. How about pink? No, we have pink already. Let's make it. Okay, that's the red. Not good. Let's try. Here we go. How about blue? Okay, there we go. Blue's a color. Blue's a good color. So right here, okay, you see this nice blue line here. Well, let me try. Wait. Let me try making it bigger too. Let's see here. Make it a little thicker. See if that helps out. Nope, it's already. Never mind. It's already at its thickest. So can't do any more than that. Well, anyways. All right. So imagine the blue line here being a bullish flag, a bearish flag here, folks. This is what it means. So again, imagine this blue line here. The blue line here, okay, is going to be a temporary bear flag, all right? Imagine this nice little blue flagpole here, and you see this gray rectangular area here, right? The fact that I'm seeing the 4-hour chart starting to see the histogram move up, but the movement is so low. All right, folks, give me a quick second. Give me a quick second. All right, folks. So sorry about that. I had a quick phone call. Had to, address a boss because everyone has a boss, right? So again, the blue line here is going to be your bear flag, right, folks? And this gray rectangular gray area over here is going to be your bear flag. And if you consolidate here, based on the 4-hour histogram here, it is looking pretty bearish in my opinion. So that's so again, the 4 chart here is just looking like it's what you call it. The 4 is just moving up slowly here. This tells me that since the movement is so low here, this means again, the histogram is moving up so slowly here at such a low velocity, and for about maybe like I don't know, like 6 or 7 6 already. And the fact that we didn't even see the 12 MA even twitch or even turn a little bit tells me the bears are still in full control, and this tells me that we are going to see a possible breakdown due to this indicator kind of supporting the narrative. Okay, folks, that is what it means to me. If we break down from here, this means that the next resistance of 23.7 is going to be possibly on deck. All right, folks. That means that if we break down, 23.7 is going to be on deck. All right, and if we and 23.70 is going to be one of your strongest supports. Okay, we do not want. All right, I'm gonna say it twice. We do not want 2370 to break, okay, folks? If 2370 breaks, then I'm going to say right now, we are going back to the abyss, folks, and you do not want to see that, okay? Again, I'm not trying to fearmonger. I'm just telling you what may or may not happen, okay? And if this happens here, the way I'm seeing it, it could potentially happen. And again, I'm not trying to fearmonger. I'm just trying to give you the good, the bad, the ugly, so you can make the right decision to protect yourself. And of course, you know what I'm saying? Ronnie Greninger, I've invented a board game today based on stock trading and fundamental of reading charts. Moving forward, more info in 2 weeks. Hashtag stonks. Okay. Fantastic news, Ronnie Greninger. Fantastic, man. Good job. Good job. Okay. So again, folks, I want to emphasize one more time, folks. I am not trying to incite fear, okay? I am trying to give you the knowledge so you know what's going to happen, and if it happens, you know how it's going to play out, and you know how to prepare for the next trade, okay, folks? So you can use this information to your gain, or you can be fearful and let it take you over, all right? So just please understand that, okay, folks? And again, if you guys currently enjoy this content, make sure you smash that subscribe and you smash that like button, all right, folks? Because as you know, this kind of stuff here, people actually pay for this kind of stuff. But your boy here is doing his only good every day by giving back to the Doge community. This is my skill set. This is what I have. This is what I have to contribute to the Dogecoin community. And I am more than happy to do that. You know what I mean? So I really hope you guys take away a few lessons from this, you know, whether it's either good vibes or you get a few lessons. That'd be fantastic. Irregardless, you know, I want you guys guys and gals here, to take your next step towards financial freedom, okay? And by using data-driven knowledge, guess what? When you use data-driven knowledge, data-driven knowledge and data-driven analysis, this means you will make sound decisions, and that means you'll be confident in your trade. And the most important thing is to be confident in your trade by doing your own due diligence and doing your own research, all right? When you do those two things here, I can guarantee you, when you buy the trade, even if it's going down, you are not going to panic sell, and you will be A-okay, all right? Because guess what? Your boy Hey John has been where you were at when he was new, okay? Your boy Hey John did plenty of panic sells, okay? I have done my share of panic sells. But I'm telling you, if you do enough data-driven analysis, you get over it. And when you see these kind of fear-mongering kind of things happen, you say, you know what, dude? These are dip buying opportunities. I am going to go shopping when things are on sale, okay? Imagine this being Black Friday. Don't you get excited for Black Friday? I know I do, because Black Friday means things are on sale, okay? Drex, how early could we possibly see 23 cents? Drex, I couldn't tell you, to be honest, but no one can predict the future. I'm just telling you guys, these are the potential things I'm seeing as of this current live trading here, okay? I'm giving you the current live information as I see it right now. What I'm saying can be invalidated by tomorrow, or the next day here. That's why I make these videos twice a day, to make it live, to make sure you see what is going on, because as you know, information is power, and as you know, power is money, moolah. And guess what? If you like moolah, you are gonna want the power, and you are going to want the information, okay, folks? All right, folks. So again, if you enjoy this content, make sure you smash that subscribe and smash that like. All right, folks. So I just wanted to show you guys here the possible bear flight, okay, folks? Again, not to incite fear. I want to say it over and over, because guess what? We have people coming here from all the time. People are coming in and out. So if you're here and you heard it once already, I get it. But people are coming in and out all the time. So I want to make sure people get the information. So that is why your boy repeats things, not because I like to. I'm just trying to make sure people hear it when they come in and out, all right? Okie dokie. So that's why I see currently, all right? And the fact that currently I also want to emphasize as well, the longer we consolidate here, right, in this bearish flag here, this means we are giving time for the 50 MA to reset, okay? Currently, the 50 MA is about 2.27773, and the 200 is about 0.11352, okay? So that means on a long term, on a 4-hour chart, the bulls are still in full control. But on a MACD here, you're seeing a different story unfold because the MACD is a shorter time frame moving average. All right, 12 versus 50, it is four times bigger. All right, so the 5200 when I use on a 4-hour chart, it gives me a longer trend. Okay, and as I always say, the trend is your friend, folks. The trend is your friend. But again, even though I'm saying this bear flag could possibly happen, at the same token, all right, if the bulls wake up in a few hours here, by few hours, I mean maybe like 12 to 16 to 24 hours, because as you know, these are sticks here on a 4-hour chart means one stick per 4 hours, all right? One stick per 4 hours. So there's literally maybe a day or two for the bulls to wake up and turn this around, okay, folks? The bulls can wake up and turn this around. So literally right now it can go either way, but I'm giving you both scenarios here, and you can make your own determination. I know it may sound confusing, but if you think about it rationally and just look at it from a data perspective, you know what? You can make your decisions, folks. All right, whether it goes up or down. If it goes up, you know what's the next resistance. If it breaks down, you know your next support. So again, you can. The reason why I share this information is not to incite fear or anything like that, or be a hater. I'm trying to make sure you have the best knowledge, where you know the bullish perspective, and the bearish perspective. All right. So now I will go ahead and zoom a little bit and see what's going on. And the fact that we are seeing such low volume is telling me that, you know what, the day traders are out. So now we are going to consolidate now. And I want to mention, if we do a long consolidation in the bear flag area, this means the bears are going to get a chance to make the 50 MA neutral. All right. If they make it neutral, that means on a longer time frame, the bears and bulls are currently in indecision on a shorter term frame to figure out who is going to be in control, which means that the current trend is the current trend is going to be invalidated, and it's going to be in an indecision zone. When you are in an indecision zone, the best trade is no trade. Okay, when you are in indecision, right, by the charts showing that to you, the best trade is no trade. All right. So what that means is you should sit back and see where it goes. And when you see an inkling of where the trend is going, that's where you should go and start going to that direction, whether it's bullish or bearish or whatever. It really doesn't matter where it goes, but you gotta know where it's going though. And when you see it happening, you can plan accordingly and make that moolah. All right, folks, I have over 1,600 people up in this joint. All right. I see only about 400 likes. Let's all take a quick second and smash that like button right now, please. Right now, okay? Right now. And if you enjoy this kind of content, you want to make sure you subscribe, okay, folks? You want to make sure you subscribe so you're notified when I drop these hits, all right? All right, now going into the 1 hour chart to see what is going on, okay? All right, so the 1 hour chart here, we are seeing currently, all right? We are currently seeing a possible new lower low in the future. Okay, why do I say that? I'm gonna show you right now. All right, so we are seeing this play unfold where you see this kind of happen. Right, it's kind of doing this, it's doing this. Now it's coming back down now. This means the bulls are having a very, very, very hard time trying to move up, folks. All right, this means the bulls are currently in the bearish MACD territory, and they're having a very hard time moving back up. Okay, folks, if this continues, then most likely this is what we're going to see, folks. All right. We're seeing the 12 MA move back down. All right, which means on a 1 hour time frame, the bears are taking control on a short time frame, and the 26 moving average is very, very upward. It's moving in the upward trajectory, but it's very, very weak though, okay? And we're seeing the histogram starting to decrease its velocity as well. Therefore, we are seeing the bears take control. And the fact that even though the histogram is currently in the bullish territory, understand the MACD is in the bearish territory. Therefore, even though we're seeing a reset and the bulls are currently have an inkling in life, This tells me the bears are in full control, and we are going to see this happen, and we are going to see this happen on the hourly chart sooner rather than later, folks. We're going to see it happen. It's going to cross down here and do this and come back up, folks. All right, this is probably what we are going to see, and I will make this let's see here. What color should I make it pink? There you go. Let me go ahead and draw it again. You know, it's fine. This means if we see the pink line unfold, this means that we are going to break down below the bearish flag there for the most part, all right? That's what it means, okay? So when it happens, we're going to see a new lower low happen, and most likely we will probably break down below that bearish flag we're currently seeing. And as you know, this is the 1 hour chart, and I guess 1 hour for one stick. So this can take about, let's see here. Obviously, this is only for estimation purposes. This can unfold in maybe like 1 to 2 days. So again, this is why you need to watch these charts like a hawk right now if you're trying to get a good dip buying opportunity, because guess what? They are coming, and you need to be prepared when they come, okay, folks? And your boy Heijan always mentioned to you guys and gals here to only nibble and don't bite. Nibbling means you buy dips, but only a small percentage of your budget. You don't go all in, all right? If you go all in, you will put yourself into financial jeopardy, and you never, ever, ever want to use your rent money or your food money, okay? Only use your funny money. And at the same token, right, we could see this happen too, all right? We can see this happen where the bulls take full control and we go back up here and do something like this, okay? Where I'll make it into the orange line here, okay? If the orange lines happen, this means the bulls are going to be, I would say, in full control, and we are going to see a nice upward trend to the upside, which means you're going to see a higher low and higher high. However, based on what I'm seeing, based on the 4 hour trend and daily trend here, this orange scenario here on the hourly chart, I would say is very, very unlikely. But as you know, in cryptocurrency, it is a wild, wild west, and anything can happen, okay? This is why I give you guys the most likely scenario and giving you guys a trend, because the trend is your friend, all right, folks? The trend is your friend. So let's go ahead and zoom back out now. And let's see what is going on, folks, all right? Let's see what's going on. All right, then. So now we are seeing, okay, this little orange pink oval I drew for you guys probably like a day or two ago now. I forgot exactly when, but doesn't matter though, right? At the time when I drew it, I was saying, hey, you know, guys, this is looking very bullish, all right? If we can maintain certain factors here. But the fact that we are seeing the 50 MA, I'm sorry, this morning as well, okay? This morning as well, right here. This morning when we are in the live stream and you guys were joining me, if you guys were here at least, I was telling you guys, hey, right now the current of 50 MA is flatlining. So that means that, hey, right now it is in indecision, and the bears and bulls are fighting to see who will take control. And clearly the bears have taken control, because this morning as well, I was telling you guys and gals that, hey, whatchamacallit, on the daily and 4 hour, the bearish trend has just started, and you know, obviously now it's taking full effect and full life here. So now we are seeing the 50 MA charge towards the beautiful 200-day moving average. Okay, folks, this is what we're seeing now. All right. So when we charge towards the 200 MA currently on the 1 hour chart, that means that if we cross it, if the 50 MA crosses the 200, this means we're going to see a bearish cross, and this means the cycle can last for, let's see here, let's see how long the previous cycle lasts. Okay, all right, see here, let's zoom out real quick. So the last here we go. So the bullish cycle has currently went for about 8 days and 8 hours, okay? The current bull cycle has went for at least 8 days, 8 hours before a bearish cross, all right? So again, we're going to have more time for this unfold. So when this happens, the bullish cross could last maybe for 9 to 10 days, right? So if that happens, then I would say, you know, to be fair here, we may see a 9 to 10 day bearish cycle So which means what, maybe like a week and a half or something. So just bear that in mind, okay? Again, if you are just joining us today on this beautiful evening here, I am trying to give you the information here. I am not trying to incite fear, okay? I am giving you the knowledge information so you can see the bullish perspective and the bearish perspective, so you are equipped with the knowledge, so you are not scared, okay? Because if it breaks up, you know where the resistance is. If it breaks down, you know where the support is, and you can plan accordingly, okay? Okay. Alrighty then. Give me a quick second. I'm still here. Give me a quick second. I just need to check something real quick. I'll be back 1 second. I'm still here though. I just need to do something in the background real quick. All right. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. The what's a FUD? What's a FUD? Let me look at. You know what? I'm not gonna look it up. It's probably something bad. I'm not sure what FUD means, but yeah, it's probably not good though. Can't be too good. Can't be too good. Yeah, guys. Again, I am not trying to incite fear, okay, folks? I am not trying to incite fear. I'm giving you the knowledge, so you know what's going on. All right. Okay. So, folks, let's check it out. Okay. All right. Let's go back to the chart. Let's go back to the charts and see what's going on. All right. And again, if you folks enjoy this kind of content, you want to make sure you subscribe. So when I drop these live hits, you are able to join in the beginning to see what is going on. All right. So you want to get the knowledge from A through Z. Okay. So again, this consolidation here is looking pretty bearish, okay? I would say this is going to be a bear flag in my opinion. And I believe we have more reason to go down than to go up currently, okay? So that's what it means, folks, all right? And the fact that the 1 hour chart is and the 1 hour chart is supporting the narrative. You're seeing the histogram come back down, folks, all right? We're seeing the histogram come back down. And we see the 50 MA charging towards the 200 MA, all right? But again, so we need to be patient and watch to see how this plays out. And again, and I want to emphasize one more time, if you have bought high, you know, your boy is letting you know right now, we are going to see some dip buying opportunities. So don't worry. You will be able to lower your average as long as you have some dry powder. All right. And your boy always tells you to never go all in because you put yourself into financial jeopardy. All right. And the pros never ever go all in. All right, folks. They never do. They always have dry powder. Okay, folks. Let's go into the 15-minute chart and see what's going on. Okay. All right. The current 15-minute chart is showing the 200 over the 50. So this means the bears are in temporary control on a short time frame, and that's okay because we have bearish cycles and we have bullish cycles. You know, that is all it is, folks, all right? That is all it is. Whether it's bearish or bullish, it is what it is, all right? It is no concern to you because if you know what is coming, guess what? You are not fearful, okay? You will see amazing dip buying opportunities, folks, all right? I'm telling you right now, people are going to make insane amount of money, folks, all right? Because we're seeing lots of people in fear and they're fear selling right now. And guess what? When you see Dogecoin a little weak, all of the haters come out, okay? All of these haters come out and they want to incite fear saying, hey, sell. You know, it's going back to zero. X, Y, and Z reason, blah, blah, blah. It is all noise, folks, okay? It is all noise. Just understand that there are bullish cycles and bearish cycles. And currently, we are in a bearish cycle. And guess what? A bearish cycle means you will get amazing dip buying opportunities. All right. I want to emphasize that, not to repeat myself, but just to make sure to drive home that message. Because when you buy that dip coming up, and there will be a juicy one coming in about 2 weeks. All right, folks. You are going to be so elated. All right, folks. I'm telling you right now. This is how it works. I've been there and done that. I've been where you at. I've been where you're at, where you're down on your luck. You're fearful. You have uncertainty. You're down your luck. The bears are hitting on you. They're fear mongering you, and you are more likely to sell. But your boy Hey John is giving you the knowledge to protect you from the fear and uncertainty and doubt. So therefore, you'll be less likely to sell, and you will say, you know what? I am seeing a Black Friday sale, and you know what? I'm gonna lower my average, and booyah, booyah, I'm gonna make that moolah, baby. Okay, that's how you gotta see it. Okay, if you're negative, then you need to go in your brain and pull the weeds out and mentally protect yourself, folks. All right. I always say that, folks. You need to be mentally strong if you're trading or investing. All right. You need to be mentally strong, and you need that mental six pack. All right, folks. You definitely need it 100%, folks. All right. So let's go back to the 15-minute chart. Okay. Again, I want to emphasize and tell you guys what's going on, folks. All right. So the 200 order 50, which means we are in a bearish cross. All right. I've already said that to you. Okay. And we are seeing the 50 MA starting to slow down a little bit. Keyword a little bit. By little, it's almost barely noticeable. This tells me the bulls are still asleep at the wheels. Okay, folks, that is what it means. The bulls are currently asleep at the wheels, and you know what? That's okay, because eventually the bulls are gonna wake up when they see an amazing buying opportunity. That is what it means. All right. So the bulls are saying, you know what? I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna take a break right now. I'm gonna sit back and relax and have a Modelo. Bears, go ahead, bears. Do your worst. Bring bears. Do your worst. Bring the price down, because when you bring the price down low, because when you bring the price down low enough for me, the bull's sitting back on his poolside right now, drinking his Modelo and everything, right? He said, you know what? He's gonna say, you know what, dude? I like this price. You know what? It's time for me to get up off this lounging chair and put down the Modelo and start to buy, and booyah, you're gonna make that money, folks. It happens like that. It happens like this all the time in the stock market, in cryptocurrency. I don't care what you trade, what you invest into, what asset class, commodities, energy, forex, whatever. It happens in anything. You know, I've seen it many times, and you just need to know the information and see it when it comes, and that's why your boy provides this to you for 4 easy payments of free. All you need to do to redeem this special offer is smash that subscribe button. All right, folks, that's simple, folks. That's simple. And of course, the more you know, the more you earn. All right, folks. So do not be blind to this. Okay, just because I'm not saying the bullish narrative that you want to hear, do not close your ears, folks. All right, keep your ears open, because you will know the bullish perspective and the bearish perspective. All right, I just want to emphasize that. So you understand what's going on. All right, and do not fear. Your boy's here. Don't worry. Your boy's here. He live streams all the time. You know. Your boy live streams all the time, and he shows you guys the way. You know. He tells you when you're in a bullish trend. He tells you in a bearish trend, and you can plan accordingly and make the moolah. It's that easy, guys. All right. So all you want to do is make sure you're here when I start, and booyah, you are gonna get that knowledge. All right, for free, 90 free. And in the long term, right? In the long term, you are gonna thank yourself for spending your invaluable time with me and gaining this invaluable knowledge, therefore increasing your portfolio in the long term. All right. Thus far, taking the next step towards your personal financial freedom. Okay, folks. All right then. So we are again. All right. The 250 are both trading down right now. So again, the bears are still in control. We aren't seeing enough movement to the upside. Okay, so in order for the bulls to take control, okay, the bulls need to consolidate around this gray rectangle area here, right? That's what the bulls need to do if they want to take control. And can we get 1,500 likes? Can we get 1,500 likes? I see 1,800 people here. Can we get 1,500 likes, folks? All right, let's smash that like button, folks. All right, let's go. So again, we need to consolidate in this grayish rectangular area. If the bulls can do that, then the bulls are going to be in business, because they are going to flatline the 50 MA, and therefore, in the long run, if they consolidate here long enough, they will be able to bring up the 50 MA, and therefore taking temporary bullish control. Okay, So that is what you want to see if you're a bull on the 15-minute chart. All right. So I want to emphasize that. And currently on the 15-minute MACD here, on the current 15-minute MACD, we are seeing the bulls starting to wake up via the histogram. All right, the 12-day moving average has went from a downward trend to now coming up to an upward trend now, folks. So now we are seeing the 12-day moving average coming up a little bit. Now it's going up now, okay? So it looks bullish on a short term, but please understand, we are in the bearish MACD territory. So if this happens, okay, folks, if this scenario happens, okay, if this scenario happens, the orange one here, this means we are going to continue lower and see a lower low and a higher low. That's all it means, folks. Nothing to be fearful, okay? Now, if this current trajectory happens, right, we see this kind of thing happen, right? This means the bears, I'm sorry, this means the bulls, if the yellow scenario happens, this means the bulls are going to be in full temporary control, and we're going to see a higher low and a higher high. So right now we see the bulls fighting for it, tooth and neck here, But again, I don't see any volume confirmation yet. But again, I don't see any kind of volume confirmation to determine this. Okay. However, though, right here on this, right here, I am seeing a sell confirmation. Okay, I am seeing a sell confirmation due to these two wicks right here. All right. This means from a price of 0.3279 up to 3350, it was a huge sell zone. Okay, so temporarily, okay, this is going to be your temporary resistance. Okay, folks, I'm gonna make it let's make it green for temporary. Okay, so currently, the 3283 is going to be your temporary resistance. Again, keyword being temporary. If the bulls can break 3283, this means the bulls are going to be in control, and we can possibly see the start of a nice possible start of a nice upward trajectory for the bulls, and therefore being able to create a possible short-term bull run. When I say short-term, it's because this is a 15-minute chart, and as you know, the 15-minute chart is pretty quick, folks. One stick, 15 minutes, okay, folks? So please understand that, all right? All right. So that's what I see on the 15-minute chart currently. So let's go ahead and go over to the 1-minute chart and see the play-by-play to see what is going on, folks. Let's see what is going on right now, folks. Let's go. And by the way, folks, how is everyone doing? I want to take a quick second to see and read the chat and see how you are doing today. Let's see what is going on. And of course, if you guys enjoy this kind of content, make sure you smash that subscribe button. All right, folks. Let's see here. What we got here? Wow. I am seeing lots of haters here. Okay, folks. Don't worry about the haters, man. Do not worry about the haters. Okay, folks. Just disregard the haters because they are just trying to take your easy coins. Don't be concerned. Let's see here. We got wow, it's moving pretty quick here. Let's see. R. Nunez. I'm doing bad. Losing a lot of money. Well, at R. Nunez, I would say to you, just try to take care of yourself, man. Try to do some mental exercises, because as I said to you right now, we are going to start to see some nice dip buying opportunities. So just be careful, and it's coming. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, breaking news, folks. Breaking news. We are seeing some nice buy volume here, folks. The bullish trend is forming on the 1-minute chart. All right. We are seeing some nice buy volume, all right? I suspect, okay, folks, breaking news, all right? On the 1-minute chart, we are seeing significant buys right here, folks. Looking very, very bullish. But very interesting, though, very interesting. The fact that we're seeing literally 4.8 million Dogecoin traded, right? In a minute. But the price barely budged, all right? Very interesting. Very interesting. The fact that we saw 4.8 million Dogecoin traded in a minute, 1 minute, and a thing barely even budged a little bit. This tells me there are tons of sellers, okay? Tons of sellers here. That's what it means. But we are seeing the bulls starting to wake up, and they're waking up with that money, folks. That is pretty good. That is what you want to see. The bulls are trying to wake up right now, folks. That is what it means. Richard Klein, do you think a whale is blocking it from going up as a rumor going around? At Richard Klein, it is not. At Richard Klein, that is not a rumor because in today's earlier live stream, we covered live the breakdown of that whale here, and we went through the whole thing and did the whole breakdown of everything to see how much that whale had. Okay, let me go ahead and see real quick again to refresh it because I kind of forgot what I did because, as you know, it's the morning, so your boy has short-term memory. Give him a quick second, folks. Let's go on Twitter. Where's Twitter at? 1 second, folks. Whoops. 1 second, folks. 1 second. Give me a quick one, folks. 1 second here. Let me go ahead and just take some stuff out here. Give me a quick second, folks. All right, then let's see here. Where is it at? Let's see here. Where is that tweet I did this morning? Let's see here. Here we go. All right. That tweet this morning here, we saw the whale happen on 420 here. We can see all the sales on one day here. Quite a bit of sales, folks. All right. It was not fake news. We saw tons of sales, folks. Tons of sales. So again, it's not a rumor at Richard Klein. It is not a rumor, folks. Not a rumor at all. All right. Okay, let's get up here. Times. All right, Snoop Doge. We got him in the house. All right. Let's see here. All right. Let's get back to it now, folks. Let me see if I can find a Reddit. You know what? That's fine. It doesn't matter, the Reddit thing. Okay, folks. We are seeing a nice breakout, folks. We are seeing a nice breakout happen right now, folks. A nice breakout. Looking really, really good in my opinion here. Looking really, really good, folks. All right. This breakout is looking really, really nice, folks. I like this. We are seeing tons of volume confirmation, and now we are moving to the upside, all right? So the fact that we were seeing here live, maybe like 4 or 5 minutes ago, we saw a huge buy volume of 4.8 million Dogecoins, and we saw the price barely move. All right, it looks like all the sales are done, and booyah, we are going up, folks. We are seeing the beginnings of a possible bullish cycle here. The fact that we are seeing such fantastic and phenomenal volume come in at a short time. Amazing, folks. Amazing. That is amazing, folks. That is amazing. Holy cow. Holy cow. Could this be the start of a new bullish cycle? I believe so, man. We are seeing the inklings of a nice volume come in, so I believe so. In my opinion, I believe so. Chris Addy, hello again. So new Doge coins are created every minute, right? How does that impact the growth and sustainability of the coin? Thanks for everything. At Chris Addy, well, you know what? When new coins are minted, they have nothing to do with. Oh, I'm sorry, new Doge coins. Okay. No. At Chris Addy, new Doge coins aren't created every minute. They are created with every block mined. Which every block mined, they create 10,000 Doge coins. All right, per mined block. Mining cryptos, okay? In a year, I believe there's about 5 billion Doge coins minted per year, which sounds like a lot, but it really isn't, though. If you think about it, because in the long term, you're going to see you are going to see an inflection point where Dogecoin is no longer inflationary but becomes deflationary. So over time, Dogecoin will do that. And you know what? It is not going to be a problem, okay? Not going to be a problem. Let's see here. If you, Tom Hunter, if you haven't read the Reddit post that shows the whale's hourly sales, you should read it ASAP to educate yourselves. Yes, by the way, my Twitter thing here is exactly that, okay, folks? My Twitter chat here is, my Twitter post was exactly that. I just summarized it into a nice little table, so it's easy to read and easy to see. Because I just pretty much aggregate all the sales and coins per hour. All right, so it's easier to see, so you can get a better perspective. All right, Raul Cepeda, let's get Dogecoin to $10. I have 700K coins riding on it. Doge to the moon, yes sir. That is good, sir. Congratulations. Okay, and again, folks, I want to emphasize this little Twitter thing here. Let me go ahead and put it in chat in case you can't see it or something, you know. Let me go ahead and pin a message here, okay? I pinned this message here on a chat, so if you want to click the Twitter page and get that information, you can go ahead and click it and see for yourself, okay? It's basically the on 420 the hourly sales, and you can see this individual was selling millions, right? Millions and millions per hour, right? So yes, the whale sold about 82 million, folks. All right, 82 million around there. That's about 82 million, folks. So yeah. Okay, folks. Let's see here. For the first time, the on a 1 minute chart here, I haven't seen for a while here. The bulls are starting to take control and they're waking up, man. They have literally waking up, folks. Looking very good. Looking amazing, folks. Amazing. I see over 2,000 people here in the live stream. Can we get 2,000 likes, folks? All right. Can we get 2,000 likes? All right. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Smash a like right now, folks. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So right now, again, I want to say it. I want to say this for all the people. I want to say this right now for all the people just joining the chat or live stream. We are currently seeing a potential for a nice reversal, folks. All right, we are seeing a potential for a nice reversal due to the fact that we are seeing the volume confirmation and the fact that the stick on that time frame didn't even move, you know. And that just tells me there were tons of sales there, and guess what? The people bought the heck out of it, and they destroyed that wall. All right, that is what it means. And in my opinion, here, this is going to start looking bullish very, very soon, folks. All right. Okie dokie. All right, folks. I just want to emphasize that real quick so you guys know what is going on, folks. All right. So again, for people just joining, we are seeing a nice consolidation right now at the 200 chart. All right, the 200 is right here, folks. All right, the 200 is right here. All right. This means the bulls and bear are fighting around the 200-day moving average resistance. Okay, let's see if the bulls can take it. And in my opinion here, the bulls are going to take it because for two reasons. One, we have volume control, and two, the current MACD is in the bullish territory. So it looks like the bulls are going to give Dogecoin a nice blue pill in the short term. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. And the fact that we are seeing the 50 MA trend up as well, right? The 50 MA is trending up, heading towards the 200 MA. And so far, the 200 MA is coming down here in a downward trend here, which means that on a longer term, on a minute chart, it is looking bearish. But the 50 is charging right towards it, and we are going to see a nice crossover, folks. If that happens, that means we're going to see a new bull cycle emerge. And guess what? Booyah, baby, booyah. When you see a 50 cross 200, that is the beginning of a new bull cycle. And that means you're going to see price pressure to the upside, okay? You're going to see price pressure to the upside. But again, we need to watch it play by play to see how it plays out because as you know, it is a minute chart and you just need to watch it. But so far, in my opinion here, this is looking really, really good. This is what you want to see, folks. You want to see a huge amount of volume confirming something. And this is, to me, and in my opinion, confirmation to the upside. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. And for all the people here who currently have fear and they're upset about the current price of Dogecoin, you have to understand. About 10 or 11 days ago, Dogecoin was trading at about 5 or 6 cents. And everyone 10 to 11 days ago was praying to Jesus, to God, Allah, Buddha, whatever you believe in, man. They were praying that, hey, you know what? Can Dogecoin break 6 cents? Can it even get close to 8 cents where the previous high was, all right? And guess what? We broke out and we are now currently at 45 cents new all-time highs. Currently at 30 cents. I mean, ladies and gentlemen, from 5 cents to 30 cents, that is still a 600% gain within about 10 to 11 days. I mean, ladies and gentlemen, that is unheard of gains, folks, in about 10 or 11 days. So if you are concerned with this pullback, then holy cow, holy cow, you must think you want to get rich overnight, okay, folks? And you just that just doesn't happen in the crypto world, folks. Unfortunately, it does not happen. So I just want to put that. So I just want to give you that perspective from a longer time frame, so you can see what is going on. Okay, because you want to know what's going on, because you don't want to be blindsided. You don't like, oh my god, why is it like not going to $10 right now? I've waited about 4 hours. Okay, folks, I've waited 4 hours, and it is not $10. Dogecoin sucks. Why did I waste my money into it? Why am I wasting my time investing in it? Oh my god, I've invested for about 10 days and it's not at $10. What in the heck is wrong with Dogecoin? It is a piece of junk. Why am I wasting my time, folks? All right, folks. So if you have that kind of mentality, you have the gambler's mentality, folks. All right. If you have that mentality, you're a day trader, and I really worry for you because day trading 9 out of 10 times you're gonna lose. It is an unfortunate fact. Okay. So if you want to make that generational wealth, you want to make sure you invest and not day trade, all right? But of course, it is a free country. You can do whatever you want. But this is just your boy Hey John sharing his perspective with you because he's been there and done that. And investing is way more enjoyable. Of course, of course. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Let's see what the chat is saying right now. Let's see what the chat is saying. Okay, okay, okay. Elon tweet, just Tesla news. I would say that's pretty true. That is pretty true. Let's hear it. Tommy T. Respect to the whale, though he could just cash out complete, but instead he does it slowly. Yep. Well, I mean, that's true too. That's true too. The truth is, Tommy T, the reason why the whale is doing it slowly is because if he does it all at once, right? The price is gonna crash and do a flash crash, and therefore the whale will make lesser money. So the whale isn't necessarily doing you a favor. What the whale is trying to do is maximize their gains. All right, but I do see your perspective. But the whole point of him doing that is to make maximum gains. Let's see here. Nick Hollowba. He gonna check my reply to a recent tweet. Okay, let's see what your reply is, Nick. Let's see what your reply is. I have no idea. Let's refresh the thing. Let's see what comes up. Um, Thank you for all the, Nicholas Holoba. Um, Thank you for all that you are doing. I'm staying locked in and riding this rocket all the way up. At Nicholas, man, thank you for the shout out, brother. I appreciate the shout out, and you know what, man. I'm gonna say right now, dude, your boy Hey John is just investing, and I believe if you're investing in Dogecoin, you are gonna do phenomenal in the long term. You just need to be patient, folks. All right. Let's see here. All right, here. At a Slicksta 137, he can dump all at one moment and lock in a price. He's doing the Doge community a favor heart. Well, if we do see a flash crash, you best believe everyone's gonna buy up that cheap price for sure. Even your boys gonna buy up too. I was doing market buys. In the other tweet, okay. Let's see what you got here, Nick. Let's see what value you are bringing. Let's see what you got, Nick. What other tweet are you talking about, man? Let's see. This one here? I don't know. I don't know, man. Let's see what you have here. Let's see here. Oh, okay. Um, yeah, I don't know, Nick. I don't know, man. Sorry, dude. I don't know, man. Twitter is a funny thing. Twitter is a funny thing, man. Light of the world. And by the way, your boy Hey John is here for you all day, every day. I'm here for the good, the bad, the ugly. Okay, your boy Hey John is here for anything. He doesn't care if Dogecoin is going up or down. All right, because your boy is bringing you that data-driven analysis. Okay, and when you're doing data-driven stuff, there is no fear. Okay, folks, no fear, baby, all day, every day. You know what? Let's go ahead and go. And Cassius Kelso, why is Doge naughty? Is such a weird not question, lol. Well, it was kind of a play on Dogecoin, really. It's just a play, really. It's a joke, really. Not meant to be any kind of thing, it's not meant to be anything crazy. Julie Cho, thank you for the cute sticker. Your boy is here all day, every day, folks. All day, every day, folks. All right. When the bears are in control, your boy's here to calm you down by dropping that knowledge, folks. Adam Kassev, thank you, brother. Appreciate that. When I drop the knowledge for you, okay, folks, you are going to be a little more calmer, and you're gonna take a deep breath. You're gonna decrease your heart rate, and therefore you will be able to make sound decisions. Okay, we were having a spammer here. All right, spammers, go away. All right, it was cute for the first two times, but it gets boring though. Okay. Um, Jay Mula, me and my mom are back. We love you. Catch us on the moon. How about that? You know what, Jay Mula? I would love to meet you and your mother when we go to the M00 and the moon. Oh man. Oh, light of the world. Hey, John, gonna take his mask off one day and it'll be the actual Doge. Hashtag plot twist. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. That's funny. That's funny. Larry Gonzalez, thank you, Hey John, for all the advice. Hey man, that's what I'm here for. Your boy Hey John is trying to give back to the Doge community. I figured this is my skill set and this is how I can contribute, so I'm doing my part. I hope you guys are all doing your part by sharing this video out on your social media platforms so your boy Hey John can educate more people and therefore create more Dogecoin investors. When we get more Dogecoin investors, guess what, baby? You are going to make more money because more Dogecoin investors means more coins being bought, all right? And when you have more holders, guess what? Your price is going to move up because buying begets buying. So welcome one and welcome all, folks, all right? Lucas Fowler, hey John, been listening for a week and profiting from your advice. Thanks for all the time you had invest. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Your boy will never charge you for this information, but your boy has been around, and you best believe people will charge you an arm and a leg for this information. Do you know why I know? Because I was once young, I was once new, and your boy has paid for it. All right. Let's see here. Simba Canned Guy. Hey John, I have been watching you for about 5 minutes, and I have never watched you before. But can you marry my sister? What the heck? Oh my God, you are pawning at Simba Canned Guy. Why are you pawning off your sister so fast? Do you not like her or something? Tom Aarons. Hey John, sounds so smart. I wouldn't say I'm smart, man. I just say that you know what, I have a lot of experience and I have been doing this for a long time. So, once you do it for a long time, you just get used to it, and it's kind of like, to me, this is kind of like second nature to me. So, not a big deal. That's all it really is, folks. I'm not really I wouldn't say by any means I'm a genius. I'm just a hard worker, and you know, again, I'm just used to it. So, it's kind of like that. VidCan K, hey John, how are you? I'm doing fantastic, man. Thank you for asking. I'm doing fantastic because I am sharing my time with all you guys, and you guys and gals here have such phenomenal energy. I love it. I love it. Thank you for joining me on this evening here. And obviously, You guys can do all kinds of fun stuff. But here you guys are watching the chart with me, and it is phenomenal. I want to thank you all for your time. Thank you so much. All right, all right. Now let me go ahead. Now let me go ahead and go into the blockchain today. Okay, this blockchain today here is what I pay for. Okay, I pay for this out of my own pocket, so I give this to you for 4 easy payments of free. All you need to do to redeem this special offer is smash that subscribe button. All right. When you do that, you'll be notified when I drop these hits, okay? And this information here, the pros pay for it, okay? And guess what? The pros like information because information is money and information is power. And if you want the money and power, you definitely want the information. So I'm buying this and sharing it to you all for 4 easy payments of free, okay? All you gotta do is smash that subscribe button and you'll be notified when I drop these hits, okay? Yulia K, my husband just panic sold. Thanks to you, John. You calmed me down. I am so keeping mine. Every single coin. Thank you so much. You are awesome. Thank you. Well, I'm not trying to incite fear. I always say there is no shame in taking your gains. It's all good because there's always going to there is always going to be the next trade. So do not be concerned. It's always coming, folks. All right. You just need to be patient. All right. All right, folks. So let me go ahead and go and refresh this data here because this data is live into the blockchain itself. Let's see what it says, folks. Let's see what it says. Okay. So let me go ahead and do some analysis on on my Excel thing here, so I can read it to you guys because I don't want to do it here on a screen because it's not doable. So yeah, give your boy a quick second. I'm gonna do it right now, and you shall see in a very short amount of time the new data. Okay. 1 second, folks. Let me go ahead and do this real quick, and I will come back in a second, folks. All right, I'm still here. I'm just taking care of it real quick. All right, so give your boy a quick second. All right, I am still here, folks. All right, give me a quick second. Let me just take care of this, and I will give you the information. All right. Okay. Download one more time because that was a bogus file, apparently. Bogus. All right, let's go. Okay. We are going into the blockchain now, baby. Let's go all day, every day. Okay. Booyah. Let's go. Let's see what we got here, folks. Let's see what we got here. Okay. All right. We are rocking and rolling and ready to go, folks. Okay. All right. So from the price range of 360,470 up to 370,140, average price being 364,904. These individuals have combined 434 million Dogecoin, okay, dispersed among 1.6 thousand people, okay. The average price of each person who bought around here is about $257,000, all right. At Ola Hammerstrom, I sold a little bit of my Doge for a new Pioneer DJ setup Saturday, but I still have 60K holding for the moon. Hey Ola, there is no problem with taking the profits and buying some. There is no shame in taking your profits and treating yourself to something you've been wanting, man. Good for you, man. Good for you. Okay. The next one here is going to be 350,800. The high price is going to be 360,470, okay? That is the price range, all right? The average price is 356,065. The total combined Dogecoin is 778 million Dogecoin, all right? Dispersed to about 2,240 individuals. The average price of each person here is $347,000 US dollars, okay? So right here, what I'm reading to you is the amount of users, all right? What the price range is and how many Dogecoins they have in this price range. So we can see where the concentration of bag holders are. All right, so let's go ahead and get back to it now, folks. Okay, I just want to take a quick second to tell you what I'm doing here. This is a big one, okay? From 341130 up to about a price of 350800, right? Average price being 346866, all right? Total volume is 12.12 billion Dogecoin, all right? Dispersed to about 63,000 individuals, all right? This means each person on average here has about 190,000 US dollars bought here, okay? That is what it means, folks, all right? Next one here is going to be 0.331460 up to the max price of 341130. Average price being 336060. Combined Dogecoin is 1.81 billion Dogecoin, okay? Dispersed to about 2,800 individuals. Average price being 645,000 US dollars. Next one is 321161 here. 331460. Average price being 326,984. Total volume of 1.07 billion Dogecoin. Dispersed to about 2,900 people. Average buying price is 363,000 US dollars. All right. Next one's going to be 0.321789. Max price of 322,161. Average price is 321,995. Total volume is 28 million Dogecoin to 157 people here. Average price being $181,000. Next one is 312119. High price is 321789. Average price is 319497 here. Total volume is 5.66 billion with a B Dogecoin. Dispersed to 82,000 individuals. Average price being $68,000. All right. Next one is going to be 0.320449 up to the high of 312119 here. Average price being 305,648. Total volume is 4.35 billion Dogecoin. All right. Average dispersed to 48,000 individuals. Average buying price is $89,820. All right. Next one being 0.292779. High price is 0.302449. Average price is 297,303. Totaling 797 million Dogecoin. Dispersed to 38,000 individuals. All right. Average buying price is 20,000 US dollars. Next one is a 283,109. High price is 292,779. The average price is 287,975. Average volume is 218 million Dogecoin to about 972 individuals. All right, they hold about 224,000 US dollars. Next one being a 273,439. The high price is 283,109. Average price being 278,185. Dispersed to 510 million Dogecoin. Dispersed to 976 people. Average buying price is 522,000 US dollars. All right. The reason why this is significant is so we can see where the potential support and resistance are, okay? I'm going to say support is going to be around 292,779 up to 302,449. The next resistance is going to be 312,119 to 321,789. And after that, the next resistance is going to be 34113 up to about 350,800. The reason why I say these are going to be your support and resistance because this is how many people are holding in this area, okay? How many individuals, okay? So currently, let's see here, 30249. Currently, we have literally, okay, folks, we literally have about 155,626 individuals who are currently bag holders, okay? They have a combined value of about 21 billion 21 billion 898 million Dogecoin. All right. So you best believe these people are going to want to buy that dip because guess what? They do not want to be bank holders. All right. So this is data from the blockchain itself, live. All right, folks. This is data that you need to pay for, and your boy Hey John has paid for it, and he's giving to you all for 4 easy payments of free. All you need to do to redeem this offer is smash that subscribe button so you know when I drop these hits, so you are able to learn more information. Okay, more data. Data equals money, and data equals power, folks. All right, we live in a digital age, and in the digital age, in order to be competitive, you need that data. All right. So I just want to emphasize that so you understand what value your boy Hey John is creating for you. Okay. So hopefully you appreciate that, and of course, if you enjoy this kind of content, make sure you smash that subscribe button because your boy is putting in the work. All right, to give everyone in this community a fighting chance to beat the professionals. Okay. I want to empower everyone here who's watching my live stream to better yourself and hopefully give you some knowledge here so you can be a better trader, a better investor. So in order to give you a better chance to make that moolah, okay? Nicole Robero, marry me. you guys and gals are cute. I love every single one of you guys and gals. I hope you are all having a phenomenal evening. It is a beautiful evening. I love it, man. I love it. I love it. I love it so much. And I'm so thankful each and every one of you. I'm so thankful for each and every one of you people here joining me right now on the live stream. I do appreciate all you guys and gals here. Spending your invaluable time with me. And your boy Hey John feels like is doing his best to not waste your time because, in my opinion, here there is no bigger disrespect someone can do to you than waste your time. That is why your boy Hey John has bought the software to look into the blockchain to provide as much value as I possibly can and give you this knowledge here to not waste your time. Haha, Nicole Robero. Haha, you're the best. Thanks for the amazing advice. Fuego, Fire 100, Rocket Sign, heart. No, you're very welcome, Nicole. You're very, very welcome. I hope you learned something and you take away some good knowledge here. That'll make my day. And I'm just thankful that you're spending your time with me 100%. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, folks. Can we go ahead and can we get 2,000 likes, folks? All right. Can we get 2,000 likes? And for everyone just joining here, I will go ahead and do the A through Z again. I will just do it maybe in like 20 minutes here because I don't want to redo everything all over again because it takes a long time. So, it just takes time. And Jay Salazar, when the day trading course dropping? I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm doing a lot of live streaming, and believe it, your boy has some pretty good content coming for you guys. And I'm reaching out to get some new software, and trying to get some more stuff going to trying to provide more value to you guys. So I have some things in behind the scenes to try to buy some more stuff to provide more value to you guys. So behind the scenes, I am doing some work here and trying to set up some partnerships and trying to figure out some things for you guys. So in the future, you will get more value from watching me. Just be a little patient here because deals take time to unfold. So it just be what it be. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Holy cow. At Chadstone, we're all good. Hashtag Doge is doing amazing. 50% consolidation with a low golding around 30 cents is amazing. And it's for sure a bull market. My boy, Chadstone. What's up, Chadstone? I want to give my boy Chadstone a shout out, man. He's one of my day one people, man. Chadstone is one of my day one folks, man. He's been around with me when I sucked so hard at being a YouTuber. So, I'm glad to see Chadstone throwing a chat here and a message here. I thought he disappeared and I would never see him again. So Just want to give Chatstone a quick shout out. Your boy did not forget you. You know, welcome, welcome, and I'm glad you're still here, buddy. I really do. Um, at CFS, whale gains, whale taxes. You know what? At CFS, man. At CFS, you know what I say to that, man. Man, you know what? If you gotta pay taxes, that means you're blessed. Because guess what? If you're paying taxes, it means you are making that moolah. All right, you are making that moolah. All right. And when you're making tons of moolah, it's okay to pay the taxes, man. It's a good problem to have. All right. Paying your taxes is a good problem to have because you are making moolah, all right? At least that's how I see it. So I have no problem paying my taxes, man. 100%. What's good? What's good? How are you all doing, man? I hope you guys truly, truly do enjoy this content, all right? If you do, smash that subscribe button, all right, folks? All right, all right. Let's go every day. A quick question to you guys. Where is everyone from? I'm curious. Where are you all from in the chat live stream right now? Where are you all from, folks? What country? What state? Where are you from, man? Jay Mula, what do you think the low will be in the next 24 hours? I mean, it's hard to say because right now, currently, the 50 MA and 200 MA on a 1 minute chart is starting a bullish trend. And it is literally about to cross, and we saw the nice bearish. I'm sorry, and we saw the nice bullish confirmation about 20 minutes ago. And usually bullish trends can last, on a 1 minute chart, maybe 2 hours, 3 hours. So it's hard to say right now. And sometimes it can last even longer depending on whatever winds change. So it's hard to say, but you gotta watch the supports and resistance zones, and when you see them break down or break up, you know where it's going. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Ooh, we got San Bernardino. We got Grand Junction, Colorado, Australia, NYC up in this joint. Ontario, Canada. We got Mars. We got LA, Burbank. Okay, Nicaragua, Chicago, Mars, New Zealand. Wow, Pennsylvania. Man, New Zealand. At Dildo. Wow, at Swaggins, New Zealand. Man, I love your golden kiwis over there. Amazing, delicious fruit, man. The best kiwis are from New Zealand, Morocco, Sacramento, Florida. Wow. Let's see here. We got Florida, Iraq, New Jersey, Lagos, Nigeria. Okay. Florida, Annapolis, Maryland, I believe. Ohio, UK, Ecuador. Van Nuys. Okay, okay. We got Philly. We got Caraco, Caribbean. Oh, wow. Okay. Very nice. We got LA. We got Indonesia, New York, South Korea. What is Heard Island, man? What is Heard Island? Brazil. Germany, Haiti, South Carolina, Venezuela, Philippines, South Carolina, Virginia, Quiptown, US of A. All right, folks. All right, folks. Fantastic. Okay, folks. It looks like the Bulls are trying to cross the 50, but my God, they are getting rejected so hard right now. They are getting rejected so hard on a 50 and 200 trying to cross, man. Currently, it looks like the Bulls are. I'm sorry. Currently, it looks like the Bears are starting to try to take control again, folks. It looks like the Bears are starting to take control again. That is a no bueno sign. No bueno sign. But again, this is a 1 minute chart here, and we still have time for, the Bulls to take it back. So we just need to be a little patient here. We need to be a little patient, and it can happen, folks. It can happen. But as of this moment here, the Bulls look a little tired, but my God, it sure can happen. Okay, okay. It looks like the Bears are starting to. Okay, the Bears are starting to take control back. We are seeing the histogram starting to decrease here and velocity here, and of course, as you can see here, right on this in the bearish area on the MACD here, we are seeing the Bulls literally seeing the 12 day moving average just hovering going in and out, in and out, in and out of the 26, therefore showing tons of indecision. And it looks like the bulls are starting to finally give up. Holy cow, man, oh man. The selling is still on, and the selling is still strong, folks. The selling is still strong. Man, oh man. But again, folks, nothing to be surprised here, right? Because we know on a daily and 4 hour, the temporary bearish, the temporary trend on a 4 hour and 1 hour, the 4 hour and daily here, we both know the current temporary trend is bearish because we can see the histogram and all the charts and indicators indicating that. So again, the trend is in the bear. Again, the trend is in the bear's favor here. So the fact that we're seeing popping down here, it isn't too serious. It isn't too like surprising, right? Because I always say the trend is your friend, all right? Whether you're a bull or a bear, and currently the trend is in the bear's favor, that's okay. Because 10 days ago, for 10 straight days, the trend was in the bull's favor for 10 days straight. So you know what? It goes back and forth. It goes back and forth, give and take here. We have cycles, so it just is what it is, and there is honestly nothing to be concerned about in my opinion here. And of course, if you beautiful ladies and gentlemen appreciate this kind of content, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Gordon Bello, someone needs to invest in making Doge useful. You know what? At Gordon Bello, I would say the differentiating factor between Dogecoin and everyone else, all other coins, is the community, okay? All right, the community. The community is what made Dogecoin, and the community is what is going to make Dogecoin in the future that much more valuable, It's that simple. Tons of coins can have all kinds of utility, but guess what? If there is no adoption rate, it's pretty much useless, to be honest. You can have all the utility in the world you want, but if no one's adopting your stuff here, it's pretty much useless. The fact that Dogecoin is such a marketing machine here, that is what makes Dogecoin so so valuable. Just to put it into perspective, right? You see a Chanel bag right here, right? A Chanel bag is like 5 or 6 grand, for depending on a jumbo or small, or jumbo, small, medium, whatever here, okay? But let's say the jumbo Chanel bag is about 6 grand or something, right? All right, folks. Sorry about that. We had a connection error there. All right, folks. I had a connection error. All right. If your screen is stuck, refresh. All right. Let's see here. All right, folks. I had a quick connection interruption. So if you see a stuck screen, go ahead and refresh your page, and you should be fine. Okay. Yeah. So I want to give you the Chanel reference. Okay. So the Chanel bag, right? It's 5 or 6 grand or something for a jumbo here, and as you know, the materials does not cost $5,000 to $6,000, right? What makes a Chanel bag worth way more than a bag you could get at Target or Kohl's, right? Same utility, right? You can put stuff into it, whatever is right here, right? The differentiating factor is, yes, the materials, but the real differentiating factor is the marketing behind the Chanel bag. The fact that it has such a massive cult following, all right? That is what makes Dogecoin so valuable, due to that correlation, that analogy I'm giving to you guys, all right? But of course, as you know, Dogecoin is not a bag, but I just wanted to give you that analogy there, so you can understand why Dogecoin does not need utility, all right? It is a marketing machine. But as you know, Dogecoin does have utility. It's just that no one uses it for that, That's all. That's the only difference, Let's go, baby. Let's go. My God. I love the haters, man. The haters come out in full swing when Dogecoin is down. My God. I love the haters, man. My God. These people are literally Captain Obvious.
What is going?
Love it. Just love it, man. Of course, guys and gals here, if you enjoy this content, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Let's go, baby. Okay, Brendan Wathan, hashtag Doge to the Mars. Absolutely, man. Let's take Doge to the Mars, folks. Let's go, let's go. All day, every day. All right, folks, we were so close to a bullish cross, but again, the bears have resumed control. And as you know, on a 4-hour and daily, the current trend is in the bears' favor. So it is to no surprise that we are having tons of headwinds for the bulls currently. And I would say to you, that is no problem with that. I am not trying to incite fear, but you know, as you know, you gotta know when the bearish trends are coming and then bullish trends are coming. Brandon Wathan, love you, John. Love the haters. Hashtag Doge to the Mars. Yes, man. Brandon Wathan, I love my haters, man. I love it when my haters say, "Hey, John, you stutter. Hey, John, you have lisp." My God, I say to my haters, "You are Captain Obvious. You are Captain Obvious, man. Good for you, man. Your insight is just so amazing. Good for you. I wish you all a wonderful day." It's just hilarious, you know. Let's see here. Let's see here. Ryan Smith. Ryan Smith. This is just the beginning. It's only been 2 weeks. Look how much we gained. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My boy Ryan Smith. My boy Ryan Smith taking the bird's eye view and seeing the lay of the land and dropping that knowledge. Thank you, Ryan Smith. Thank you, Ryan Smith, for sharing that knowledge, man. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. At Light of the World. Hey, John. Life is a vapor, and no one is perfect. You're a funny dude. Keep the goofy vibes. Yes, sir, man. Yes, sir. I keep it light, and I keep it easy going, man. You know, because as you said, man, life is too short, man. There is no need to be so serious. It's all good. It's all good, man. It's all good. Let's see here. Let's see here. At Awa. LOL, what kind of low life have to point out someone's speech impediment or problems? These people are clearly projecting their own issues on you, John. Ignore the haters while you make that moolah. At Awa. That is exactly what I do. But I say to my haters, I love you, man. I hope you are having fun. I wish you nothing but the best, and I wish you nothing but success in life, okay? Hopefully, that success will change your terrible attitude, all right? I truly hope so, you know? Because your boy believes you know, your boy believes in, you know what? You get more bees with honey, not vinegar. So I want to give my haters some honey, even though they probably, honestly, they probably don't deserve it, but it doesn't matter, man. It doesn't matter. Everyone needs love, man, you know? Maybe they were in love as a kid. Who the heck knows, right? It's all good, though, you know? It's all good. What's up? What's up? Vish was a gurung. Cool. Hey, man, appreciate it. Thank you so much for the cool, man. So, you know, I just want to share with you guys all that kind of stuff here, you know, to show you that I am human, you know? And you know, I am vulnerable as well. I am not perfect. I am an imperfect human being. So, you know, I just own up to it and it's all good. I embrace it. Stephen Whitfield. Hey, John, forgive them for they know not what they do. We love you and thank you for your time. God bless you for your time and compassion. Man, I wouldn't say I'm compassionate or anything, you know. I just believe in doing only good every day. And, you know, as I said before, you know, this is how I want to give back to the community. This is my skill set. So I do what I can. And yeah, that's honestly just pretty much it, you know. No, no magic there, you know. I'm just trying to keep it real, you know. I'm just trying to keep it real. That's why when you come to my live stream, when I give you the technicals, I give you the good, the bad, the ugly. Salty Mexican. Hey, John, are you single or have a wonderful family? You guys are amazing here. Viva. Wendy Viva. Let's see what we got here. Hey John, you're super cute and smart. Also in the blockchain, why is the 0.07 to 25 group together? That's a huge price range. Well, because currently it isn't very important to look at because, you know, chances of us going there is going to be like whatever for the most part. So it's kind of irrelevant for the most part. The whole point of software is to give you near-term stuff. And honestly, you aren't going to see a huge range like that because that means you're going to lose like 80% gains in a day. And honestly, unless Dogecoin is banned outright, you are most likely not going to see 80% dumps in a day. It's very unlikely. But of course, as you know, anything can happen in life, right? Anything can happen. I try to join all your streams when I can because listen to you just makes me feel good. Keep spreading the good vibes. Doge gang, baby. Yes, 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 sir. Yes, sir. I've been saying it all day, every day. If you come in here, I hope you learn some stuff. But at the very least, if you learn nothing, I hope you walk away with a smile on your face, and I hope you walk away with some good vibes. So that's cool, man. That's very cool. Thank you for shouting me out. I appreciate 100%. I appreciate that 100% because you need good vibes because you need to have the good vibes to have psychological, strength so you can endure the long trades. All right, folks. All right, folks. I am going to go ahead and go through the charts A through Z again. So for the new folks here who missed it out, I'm gonna go through it all right now, and hopefully, you pick up a thing or two, and yeah, let's get to it, man. Let's get to it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. So, Gordon Bello, BTC bogus at first. Now same analysts doubt Doge. Man, the haters just want to get your easy coins, man. Okay. There's a reason why haters hate because haters are usually very selfish people, and when you see selfish people, guess what? They have self-interest in what they do and their motivation. So just keep that perspective in mind and act accordingly. All right, all right. So again, I'm gonna go ahead and start the A through Z in case anyone missed it. If you're new here, watch and learn something, or hopefully. So let's go ahead, okay? So currently on the daily here, you can see the 12-day moving average. It's curling down now, right? When it's curling down, that means on the daily time frame, the bears are in temporary control here. So the bears are in temporary control. The bears are in temporary control in the bullish MACD territory, all right? So that means that in the short term, the trend on a longer time frame is going to be in the bearish favor here for the most part. So that means that when you see pops, the pops are going to be short-lived because the trend is your friend, all right? And the trend is currently a headwind against the bulls, all right? Your boy here is not trying to incite fear or anything. I'm just giving you the good, the bad, the ugly, so you can understand what's going on and make your decision making with a level head and understanding of what's going on, okay? The 26 moving average is still bullish because it's on the upside, but it's starting to decrease a little bit and it's starting to slow down. So when it slows down in upward velocity, this is the beginning stages of the bulls starting to lose control. All right. But again, please understand that this is the one daily chart here. All right. The daily chart means one candlestick, one day. So this can potentially change in the next few days, right? But again, trends are very strong here. As you can see here, when we had a bullish trend, right? The bullish trend lasted about, let's say about 13 days, okay? 13 days for the last bullish trend. So to be fair, we may see a 13-day bearish trend, right? I mean, obviously the trends can last longer or it can last longer or be shorter. It just depends on the news coming out. So yeah. So let's go ahead here, folks. Let's go ahead and go ahead, all right? Now let's see here. The histogram is still going down at a pretty strong velocity, okay? So let's see here. At a 0.0243, now at 0.0182, it's about a 0.06 discrepancy. A day ago, it was 0.0299, and now it's 0.0243, and now it's about a 0.005 discrepancy. Now we're seeing an increase of the discrepancy on the MACD daily chart here by an increase of 0.001. I mean, it may not seem like a lot, but honestly, it's a lot. So this tells me the bears are in full control in the bullish territory. All right. So this means we have time. We have time for the bulls to take it back. But again, the bears are in temporary control. All right. So let's go ahead and see now. The current daily volume here was for yesterday was was 586 million Dogecoin, all right? Today is currently about 53 million Dogecoin. But again, this is the beginning of the day, so we have lots of time for it to play out. About 22 hours, folks, about 22 hours before we see what's going to happen. So no worries there, folks. No worries there. There'll be time. There'll be time for this to reset and see how it plays out. Okay, folks? So currently we are at 54 million. If we hold all things equal, we just may see the daily have another 500 million, well, 586 million like the previous day in terms of volume. All right. And the previous day before that on 420 here, on 420, we saw 1.43 billion Dogecoin traded in one day. And now we're seeing about a third of it the following day. And now the next day, we have to wait and see how the volume engages. And as you know, on 420, when I mentioned to you guys on when I mentioned to everyone on my live stream on 420 and the day before, and so on and so forth, I was telling you guys, your boy Hey John used to be a day trader, and he loved shorting everything. And I was telling you guys and gals that you were going to see insane amounts. You were going to see insane volatility happen. Insane volatility happened that day, and fortunes will be made. And guess what? Fortunes were made. Okay. An example of the person making fortunes is this guy right here. Okay. This guy right here, right? This individual on 420 sold 81 million well, you know what? 82 million Dogecoin. I'm sorry, 82 million Dogecoin. He walked away with about 27.9 million Dogecoin. So again, you know, when I give you these signs here, whether it's bullish or bearish here, it is meant to educate you and to give you, hey, this is what is most likely to happen. Not a guarantee, but most likely to happen. So yes, let's get back to the charts now, all right? So all right. And that chart that I did for you guys, that chart that you saw, I was doing it this morning in a live stream, calculating it from the Reddit from the Reddit website from that user who had a link to who had a link. So it's kind of what I did, folks. All right. So that is what it means, all right? And now we're seeing, look at here. Yesterday, right? The volatility went from 2960 up to a high of 3479. About, let's see here. Let's see what the range is here. Let's see if we can do it here. You know what? I would say about a 5-cent price range, okay? Today, currently, the price range is 2926, right? Up to about 3909. I'm sorry, 3093. The range is at about 0.008. Very, very little right now, folks. Okay. You know what? I take that back. It's a 0.018. Sorry. 0.018 price range currently. But as you know, the day is young because it's only 2 hours into the new candlestick. So we can see a possible higher range in the day trade. But, you know, we have to wait and see how the chart plays out for the most part. So it's hard to say right now. We just got to watch it right now for the most part. And again, you are going to see some nice dip buying opportunities, almost guaranteed. You just need to be patient and have some dry powder to be available to buy it when it comes, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and go back now and see what's going on now. Now let's go into the forward chart and see what's going on, folks, all right? Oh, oops, I forgot something. The daily chart also, the 50 over 200 MA is currently still bullish, right? And the current 50 MA is at 0.100, and the 200 is at 0.0369. Do you see the huge discrepancy? Okay, the 50 MA is here. All right, the current candlestick is here. It is about a 20-cent difference from the current 50 MA. This means in the short term, as you can see on the chart here, and as you know already, Dogecoin has went to the moon. It has left Earth, okay? Imagine the 50 MA being Earth. It is nowhere near it. These sticks are nowhere near it, all right? All right, so again, I want to emphasize that if the bulls can consolidate in this price range, even for 26 days or a month or whatever here, it'll still be very, very bullish for the bulls, believe it or not. Yes, we may not be seeing the all-time highs, but the longer we consolidate, guess what? That means you have a better chance of going up and have a continuation of going up because you have built a solid foundation to bounce off of. So let me go. So let me go ahead and go over the 4-hour chart now because I've covered the daily now. So now you know the trend. Okay, the daily short-term trend is bearish. Okay. Okay. Let's see here what the 4-hour looks like again. All right. So again, on a 4-hour time frame, let's see if it has changed in the past 2 hours since I've live streamed. Let's see if it's changed here. 0.0039. Okay. I would say it has not changed. Well, you know what? I would say it's changed, but for the worse, okay? So you can see the histogram. So you can see here the histogram right here, right? Where you're seeing about 0.01, 0.0158, 0.146, 139, and now 136 here. You are seeing it go up at a very, very ominous and slow trajectory in the um bullish range here, right? So this means, in my opinion here, the bears are still in complete control on the 4-hour time frame. I'm saying it slow so you can hear that, okay? Give me 1 second, folks. Give me 1 second. I'm still here. Just give me a quick second, folks. All right then. So now I'm back here. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. So again, in a 4-hour time frame, I would say the bears are in complete control, even though we are still currently in the bullish MACD portion. Okay. The reason why I say they are still in complete control is because the 26 and 12 still have the strong velocity to the downside, even though we've seen maybe like, was it 1, 2? We've seen 5 sticks starting to trend up very slowly. The fact that the 12-day moving average didn't even bother even twitching, right? Didn't even twitch. It's still continuing in a strong downtrend. This tells me the bears are in complete control, and most likely we are gonna break down and see a new lower low sooner rather than later. But of course, as you know, the 4-hour time frame is longer, right? So that means one stick will take 4 hours. So again, and I was showing everyone as well, if you're earlier here, this blue line here I drew earlier today, okay? This is your, I would say, your temporary bearish flag, all right? So blue line is your flag pole, and now you are seeing this gray rectangular area here is going to be your consolidation zone, and that is most likely going to be your bearish flag. The longer we consolidate around here, that means the 50 MA is going to reach it, right? And that means that 50 MA reaches it, and it's going to start trending down because we are consolidating in this bear flag here. So if the bulls want to break out their bear flag and make this bullish rather than bearish, they need to move now. By now, I mean in the next 4 to 8 hours. If they continue this, then in my opinion here, this bear flag will most likely play out. And this orange line here you see drawing down here, we're going to break down. That's pretty much what it means, folks. But again, I'm giving you both perspectives. The bulls can still take it back because the day is still young, and the current 4-hour MACD is still in the bullish territory. But the current histogram is saying the bears are in full control. So the bulls need to really wake up if they want to get in. But at the same token, understand there are whales selling, million coins every hour, minute after minute, whatever. So they are literally holding the line and bringing the price down. So you need to understand that and watch out for it. So we can see it in the volume as well, you know. And of course, folks, the charts are reflecting it currently. So you know, it literally just be what it be. There's no like magic behind it, you know. So again, I want to emphasize the 50 MA is still on an upward trend, but we need to see the blue 50-day moving average continue going up. But the longer we consolidate around this gray rectangular area is going to give control to the bulls. Okay, I just wanted to emphasize that so you understand what's going to happen what's going to happen in the near term if we continue this consolidation around here. Now let me go ahead and go see what the 50 MA. The 50 MA current price is 27715. All right. The 200 MA is 0.11347. You are seeing such a huge divergence, right now. So again, if we consolidate in this bearish flag area, that means the long term, the bears are going to get that whatchamacallit, they are going to gain that control. Jay Salazar, next line of resistance, 2357. Yes. Well, yeah, that's fine. 235 is pretty much 235, 237, you know. You know, obviously you're not gonna get it to like the thousandth of a penny accurate, you know, but it's around there for the most part. It's fine. All right. So in my opinion, I'm pretty sure we're gonna break this. I'm pretty sure we're gonna break the support of 2936, just because of the current forward chart and the current strong downward trend. I'm pretty sure we're gonna break it and probably test 235, you know, sooner rather than later. And before, as you know, I've said to you before, 235 is going to be your strongest support. Okay, if that breaks, then my God, we're gonna see 18 or 19 cents on deck, folks, because that was a previous breakout point. All right, that was a previous breakout point. So if we do break this, and I suspect we most likely will break the 293 support currently. You do not want to see 235 break, okay, folks? If you're a bull, you do not want to see 235 break, all right? We have bounced off that multiple times, okay? And currently, the trend is against the bulls as well, so it's hard to say right now, very hard to say. But we will know more as the chart develops, though, okay? So I just want to make sure I highlight this, so in case you're a day trader or investor, you know what to look for. Let's go to the hour chart and see what is going on. Okay, let's go to the hour chart and see what is going on. Okie dokie, let's go. And of course, if you, ladies and gentlemen, enjoy this kind of content, make sure you smash that subscribe button so you're notified when I drop these hits, okay? All right, on the hour chart here, we were seeing the 50 MA charge down towards the 200-day moving average almost indefinitely, okay? At I would say a pretty strong velocity, okay? So on our chart here, the bears are in definite control as well. So currently we know the daily here, we're seeing some beginnings of the bearish trend here and taking control. The forward chart, obviously, we're seeing total bear control as well. And the hour chart is also continuing the same narrative. As you can see, we are definitely in the bearish territory. So again, I want to emphasize the 50 is charging down towards the 200-day moving average, right, folks? And Neo Laddie, hey John, do you offer chart trading? As of the moment, no. You know, I just don't right now because I want to make sure I give you guys free stuff here. I want to give back to I want to give back to the community. So as of right now, I have no intention of doing any kind of chart trading. But in the future, I may, just because I want, maybe some people want more hands-on information. I don't know. But again, as of right now, no, though. As of right now, no. The 1 hour chart here, again, you can see the 50 over 200 here, right? And it's trading down. It's trading down right here, right? And guess what? We are consolidating below the 50-day moving average, right? When that happens, that means we are going to continue pulling down the 50 MA, all right? And we will continue bringing it down to the 200 MA, folks, if we continue consolidating here. So if you're a bull, you want to see the bulls break out of the 50 MA and consolidate around this rectangular area. If that happens, the bulls will take control and they can continue the bull run. But again, I don't think that's very likely due to the fact that the current daily and 4 hour chart is currently in a bearish trend. And I always say the trend is your friend. So what that means from a bearish perspective is that every time this bounce, it's gonna drop just as fast because there is not enough bullish momentums. The bulls are literally tired. It's been about 10 because the bulls had a 10 to 13 day trend, for just straight nonstop 10 to 13 days nonstop all day every day. So it makes sense that the bulls want to take a break. Honestly, that's honestly what it means. And again, one more thing as well. This is very, very healthy. Nothing to be concerned about, in my opinion, at least. So let's go ahead and see now what's going on with the MACD here and see what's popping on, locking, dropping. All right. Ooh, wrong thing I clicked. Here we go. There you go. Here. Let me go ahead and clean this up a little bit so we can see these here. Because as you know, I give you all of the different different perspectives, so it gets a little messy sometimes. So let me go ahead and clean it real quick, just so it's a little easier to see. Give me a moment, please. All right, cool. Okay. Okay. So you see here, right? I drew the orange line for you guys, and I drew the pink line for you guys here. And I was telling you guys, well, if you were in the beginning of the live stream, I was saying, hey, the orange line can potentially happen. If that happens, the bulls will be in control. But I was saying the orange line is very, very unlikely to happen due to the fact that the trend is currently bearish. All right. So we are seeing the pink line unfold. Okay, and literally, the pink line is happening right now, almost like exactly the way I'm drawing it. If this continues the way I'm seeing it, that means the 29.3 support is going to break, and we are going to see a new higher low. Okay, the new higher low could put. I'm sorry, the new lower low could be potentially 27.02. It could be around there possibly, because last time 27.02 was a nice buy point, and we saw a nice wick with volume confirming it maybe a day or two ago. I forget the exact time range, but maybe a day or two ago. So that's going to be your muscle memory buy zone if it happens. And also, the 200 MA is around 27.5, so it's around there as well. So the 200 MA, as you know, is going to be possibly a very strong bounce zone. So I suspect the buy range, if we break down and see a new lower low, is going to be from 27.5 to about 27 cents. That's going to be what I suspect will be the buy zone and possible bounce zone for the short-term future. Okay, folks? Again, keyword. If it bounces off 27.5 or 27 cents, it's going to be a short-term bounce. So I don't believe it'll be a long-term bounce. It's a fact because currently on a daily and 4 hour, lots of bearish headwinds. So again, folks, if you enjoy this kind of content, make sure you smash that subscribe button so you are aware when I drop these hits. You don't want to miss it, man. You do not want to miss these things. All right, so we're done with the 1 hour. Let's go ahead and go into the 15-minute chart and see what's going on, folks. Let's go. Let's go and see what the 15-minute chart is doing. Okay, the 15-minute chart is currently grinding down. All right. Let me blow up real quick so you can see it here. So, this right here is a bulls trying to come back up, right? But since it couldn't come back, up, and now it's downtrending again, this means we're going to see a new lower low and a new higher low almost indefinitely, okay? Almost indefinitely. And again, the 15-minute time frame is a very short time frame, folks, all right? Overall long term, Dogecoin is very bullish. This is what you call a short-term pullback and a short-term correction, and we are now in price discovery because, as you know, we have seen all-time highs at about 45 cents. So we are trying to so everyone is trying to figure out what is the so everyone is trying to figure out what is a new floor to buy into, and looking really good if we can see a new higher support, right? I believe, in my opinion here, anything above 88 is going to be very bullish, in my opinion. Okay, that means that we're going to have a new all-time higher low, and that could be your new base point to jump off of. If you're a bull, that is phenomenal, because we did not break down 8 cents and 8.8 cents again, because that was for a long time the previous all-time highs. Okay, so let's go ahead and go and see now what the other stuff looks like on the charts here. All right, we are seeing some sell signals on the volume here, right? We are seeing some possible short-term sell signals. Not the best thing, not the best thing in the world to see if you're a bull, but it's okay because you know what's going on, so you can plan ahead and you know what is going on, folks. All right, because the more you know, the more you earn, and the more you earn, the better your life gets. Right, pretty straightforward. The 200 over 50 here, right? They are both currently just going down. They are going in parallel, going down. All right, and the reason why you're seeing that is because every time we consolidate, we almost always consolidate below the 50-day moving average. The 50-day moving average is acting like a resistance, bringing it down minute after minute, hour after hour. And Cedric Perron, thank you for your amazing work, man. You know what I do for you guys? I'm just happy you appreciate it, honestly. I really do, mean it. I'm really happy you guys appreciate it, and hopefully, and I really do hope you guys have learned some stuff here. I really do. So you can prepare yourself from these, dips and pops, so you can plan accordingly and, prosper, right? Prosper. So, okay. So again, we have been consolidating below the 50-day moving average on the 1 hour non-stop. So that means we're going to see a continuation parallel movement between the 250 just going down non-stop. Okay, the moment we see that the bulls consolidate above the 50 MA for some time, this means the bulls are starting to have an inkling of control. So that means it's the beginning stages of a possible bull run. But again, there's no crystal ball. We just need to be patient and watch it as it unfolds. That's all there is to it. All right then. So now let me go into the minute chart real quick and see what is going on, to see what the current most immediate trend is right now. Okay, folks, we are seeing the 50 MA getting tested right now, folks. We are seeing the 50 MA getting tested, and it looks like the bears are rejecting right now. Okay. At the 50 MA, it looks like the bears are rejecting it so fast right now. Okay. So if this continues again, then we're gonna see a continuation to the downside, because as you know, on the current 15-minute chart, the 50 MA has been a non-stop resistance for a long time already. So we just need to watch it. And the fact that we are seeing the histogram already starting to decrease right now, okay? We are already seeing the 1-minute chart histogram already decreasing as we are moving up in the bearish territory. If this continues, this is gonna happen, and we're gonna come back down and do another cycle. If this let's make it different colors. Make it turquoise. If this turquoise line unfolds, we are going to continue seeing lower lows and higher lows. Okay. But currently, I'm seeing the histogram is starting to decrease here at a pretty slight at a slight downward trend velocity in the bearish MACD territory. So this tells me that this turquoise line is very possible, very possible. But man, it is hard to say right now. Honestly, it is hard to say right now because, as you know, we're seeing the bears take full control. So even if this pops up a little bit, I suspect that at around 0.302, it'll get rejected and come back down and consolidate below the 50 MA again. That is my personal belief. But what I'm seeing currently, because the bears are in such short-term control, it is just disgusting. It is just disgusting how in control on a short term the bears are. And if you guys enjoy this kind of content, you want to make sure you smash that subscribe button so you're notified when I drop these hits, folks. All right. So that's what we are currently seeing here. Let's see what all you ladies and gentlemen are saying in the chat here. Let's see what's going on, folks. Let's see what you're saying here. Let's see some knowledge, folks. NAC 2018, the entire market went down. Okay. Again, folks, you're gonna see tons of bears come out. I'm sorry, not bears. You are gonna see tons of hares come out and try to fearmonger you because guess what? These folks sold the pops and they want to buy the dips and they want to buy your cheap coins. So understand that haters are the most selfish people in the world, and understand they have alternative motives. Let's see here. Let's see. Brandon Wathan, take over the new financial revolution. Yes, sir, man. Let's take over that new financial revolution for sure. A guy named Sam. I love you. Hey, John. I love from Atlanta. Yes, sir. Much love to you. A guy named Sam, and welcome Atlanta in the house. What's up, Atlanta? What's up, Atlanta? Let's see here. Let's see here. Man, tons of people want to buy your cheap coins, man. Everyone in here today is looking for that kind of opportunity. It is incredible. At Benji Martinez, for real, bud. Forget them haters. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Forget them haters. 100%, man. Let's see here. What are you guys saying here? Mike Benitez, I love you too. Hey, John from Texas. All right, Texas. What's up, Texas? Matt, I got much love for you, brother. Much love, and I love everybody in this live stream right now. I wish you nothing but the best and success in your life. I really do hope you are learning some stuff here, and at the very least, you walk away with good vibes if you learn nothing at all. At Aiden, did you ever do the math to figure out when the whales might start to run out of money? Well, the current whale has about 400 million coins. The current whale has about 400 million Dogecoin. The last time I checked, which was this morning. So assuming they sell like 1 million coins per hour, that equates to about 16 and a half days before they run out of coins. But again, it's hard to say. They may sell every 15 minutes, every hour. Who the heck knows? But again, I just used a 1 hour time frame to give that projection. Let's see here. Let's see here. Echo Jar. I'm staying in for a while. My little bro got out at like the worst time ever, and has lost profit somehow. He was up $600, but now only $60. That's okay, Echo Jar. It's okay, man. We all live and learn. Man. And guess what? $60, $60 is better than -$1. Okay. Your little bro is doing just fine, man. Just doing just fine. There is no need to look into hindsight, okay? There is no need to punch yourself, right, folks? Do not ever look back in hindsight because you are just punishing yourself and you do not need to hit yourself, all right, folks? Because in this live stream, there are plenty because in this live stream, there are plenty of haters willing to do it for you, folks, all right? So you do not need to be your worst critic, all right? In this live stream, there are plenty of haters willing to do it for you, okay? So do not hit yourself, folks. Mike for life. I'm a tuna. What does that mean? I'm a tuna. That's funny though. And Deuce Amor. Agreed, man. For sure, for sure. Glad you agree. Let's see here. Melissa Lynn. I'm really interested. I'm really interested to know who and what is behind this. Someone who loves the beast enslavement system of the money. Well, that's honestly, Melissa. Honestly, we're never gonna know. To be honest, you're never gonna know, man. It's unfortunate, but we are never gonna know because these people have shell company after shell company after shell company. And truth be told, you're just never gonna know because they're so good at covering tracks. They pay people millions of dollars to do this kind of work for them, and they are literally the best at what they do for a reason. So let's see here. Abigail M. This is how the market is, not a lottery ticket. Abigail M. She is dropping that knowledge, folks. She is dropping that knowledge. Do not expect to get rich overnight. That's what they call investment. And an investment, by definition, on by the IR by the IRS standard means you hold an asset for more than 365 days. Oh yes, here at Ahen Ikichi reports that Bitcoin creator is an international drug and arms dealer resurfaced. I did see reports of that. I did see reports of that. But again, right now I believe it's currently just conjecture, and they are looking into it to try to figure out. But again, it's all conjecture right now. But as you know, conjecture conjecture will create fear in the markets, and guess what? When that happens, people are gonna sell off. Richie Ann, when are you selling, John? Your boy is never selling. He's a long-term hodler, okay? You will only get my coins from my dead diamond cold paws, all right? You will not get them easily. So, your boy is doing his part, and I'm holding on to my Doge coins for sure because I am trying to create that generational wealth. I am not looking for a quick buck. Let's see here. Let's see. At Leoncito, it's a war against the bad face sellers, y'all. I'm a Sergeant Hodl. That's funny. James Holding, yes sir, yes sir. At a SHMO, I want that money now. Well, you know what? Patience is a key to making that money, man. If you're like this twitchy, that is what you call a money transfer. At Dan Cullen, what percentage do you pay on a short-term capital gain? Well, I don't give financial advice or anything, but from my understanding here, you should do your own due diligence. But I would tell you from my own memory here, again, not financial advice. Please go verify it. I believe you pay your taxes based off of your W-2. So whatever you made, if you're a contractor, then you pay your 1099 and add on the gains. So you made 10 grand and you made 500 in Dogecoin. Your new reportable tax is going to be 15 grand. So plan accordingly. Depending on where you are on a tax range, determines where you pay your taxes, right? And let's see here. Uh huh. Uh huh. Alabama Traffic LLC. Wow, this guy has nothing but bad news. Well, I'm not giving you bad news, man. I'm just reporting to you what I see in the charts. I give you the good, the bad, the ugly. If you choose to be blindsided by the ugly and bad, hey, go ahead, man. It's all good. But if you know what's coming, whether it's good or bad, you can plan accordingly and make that moolah, right? If it's going down, you can short it, right? If it's going up, you go long. There's money to be made on both sides. It is not only a bull market. The bears can also make money, as you know, and as you know in life, everyone's got to eat. The bulls and bears, they both have to eat, folks. It's that simple. Michael Ramirez, they hate us because they ate us. 100%. Let's see here. Let's see here. At Bogey with a hoodie. Where's Elon Musk? Elon Musk is probably working on his Tesla stuff right now because as you know, Tesla's car has went into fire with a crash, and they're blaming the autopilot thing. So you best believe Elon Musk is working 24/7 to fix that issue right now because your boy Elon Musk does not want that bad news because it'll affect his Tesla stock price so hard. Okay. And folks, if you enjoy this content, make sure you smash that subscribe button so you're notified when I drop these hits. Otis. Who else bought in the 5 cent range? At Otis, a lot of people bought at the 5 cent range. They are currently sitting very pretty, even though we are seeing a pullback. All right. Let's see here. Let's go. Let's go. Kilo Charlie. SpaceX also has a pretty important launch Friday. Yes, yes, yes. I believe SpaceX, has got that NASA contract, man. So this tells me that Elon Musk is going to do good by putting a Dogecoin literally on the moon, folks. I truly believe it's gonna happen sooner rather than later, in my opinion. Wendy Viva, rocket being launched Friday. Yes, that is fantastic. That is fantastic. Alberto R. John, hater will always hate. 100%, man. 100%. Okay, folks. Okay, folks. We're seeing some nice action right now on a 1 minute chart. For the bulls are actually crossing the 50 MA. The only question here is now, can the bulls consolidate around above here? Okay, if the bulls can consolidate around this gray rectangular box here, this tells me the bulls can have a chance to break up to the upside. Okay. Tony, man, you are great. I love that I always see the Doge price. Hey, man, it's good, man. I'm happy you see it. It's good because, hey, man, you gotta have that information, right? Hiwa, Basali. I just bought some more. Hey, man, good for you, Hiwa. Good for you, Hiwa, man. You believe in the Dogecoin. Good. You need to believe in the Dogecoin. Holy cow. Juan Cordero, 90% chance starting Shiba. You know what? I sure do hope so. If that happens, my God, Dogecoin is gonna go to the friggin' moon. 100%. Akilo Charlie, I hate John. First step, Dogecoin on ISS. Man, it'll be fantastic if we go onto the International Space Station. Holy cow, holy cow. If we could get a picture of a selfie with the astronauts on the ISS, with a Dogecoin, holy moly. That is going to be phenomenal, man. You best believe Dogecoin is going to leave the stratosphere sooner rather than later. And Hua Bustily. So my average was 5 cents. Now it's 7 cents. I hope that ain't make the average too bad. You know what? I will see at Hua Bustily. You are doing just fine, man. Honestly, in my opinion, you are doing just fine. So a quick question for everyone today. Quick question for everyone. How is everyone doing today? How are you guys doing today? Did you have dinner? Did you have breakfast? Did you have lunch? The reason why I say all these three things is because we have international viewers from like everywhere. India, China, Colombia, South Africa, man, Germany, everywhere, man. Let's see here. Let's see here. New age investor. I'm down today. I'm going to the casino now. Oh man. Oh man. Do not gamble too much, brother. Do not gamble too much, brother. Ooh. Leave Boo. I had homemade pho. Oh my god. You are eating the yummy stuff, man. Eating the yummy stuff. You just made my mouth water reading that. Texas, Indonesia, St. Louis, Colombia. Otis, I see 1 million subscribers in Hey John's future, man. Man, oh man, if your boy Hey John can get 1 million subscribers, you best believe that when I call a play, holy cow, man, you are gonna see some movement, folks. Michelle Moreno, Mexico City. Alberto R. Use my mom's money. I'm sorry. Use my mom's grocery money to buy some Doge. Alberto, I hope you are just being facetious, man. Cause that'll be mean. Brandon Waiton, God is good. Drink water. Yes, sir, man. I should drink some water. I totally forgot. Thank you for reminding me. Paul Bradley, doing just peachy here in Winterpeg, Manitoba. Where is Winnipeg, Manitoba? Is that in Canada? What country? I have never heard before. What country is that? Oh, I eat cookies. Yum. Cookies are delicious for sure. Cookies are 100% what? Cookies are 100% delicious. No doubt, no doubt. Your boy loves a good chocolate chip cookie. Oh, Wendy Viviva. It snowed in New York today. What? Really? It snowed today? It's like spring, no? April. Isn't it spring? Wow. I always thought it only snows in spring, in winter. Interesting, interesting. Hey, Winnie Viva, don't have that sad face. It's okay. You're inside. Make a cup of hot cocoa. Put your feet up. Let your hair down. Sit in your bathrobe. Watch some TV. Enjoy your day. Do you do you a little bit. Take the snow as a way to, hey, you know what? I can relax today. Just sit in. Enjoy myself for sure, for sure. Kilo Charlie, off topic, but any chance or any thoughts on lamb researchy? I have no idea what that is, but if it is an altcoin, I say stay away. But I can't. But of course, you do you, brother. You know, I always say only stick with the top six cryptocurrencies. But if you want to go high risk, high reward, hey, by all means, no worries, no worries. X Corgi, it snowed in Cincinnati yesterday too. Really? Wait, Cincinnati at X Corgi, isn't that Ohio? Forgive me, my geography is not very good. Wow, it is snowing, man. Oh man, I did not know that. Okay, Cisco Correzalis update: the launch of SpaceX Crew 2 mission for NASA has been postponed by a day to Friday at 5:49 a.m. EDT because of high winds along the flight path. Very interesting. Very interesting. So let's see on Friday, maybe sometime on Friday, we will see a Dogecoin on the moon. Holy cow. Wendy Viva, you're so sweet. Eating cookies. Yum. Wendy Viva, eating those cookies. Yum, yum, yum. I hope you are treating yourself to a decadent chocolate chip cookies with huge chunks of chocolate, Wendy. Let's see here. Let's see here. What do we got here? Yes, at Bosco the Indigo. Yes, no, yes, no here in Cincy. Let's see here. Cisco Carey Zealous. Elon Musk SpaceX is about to fly astronauts for a third time this Friday. Yes, sir. That is phenomenal news because I wish nothing but the best for our boy Elon Musk, man. Because our boy Elon Musk is gonna come back and spread that knowledge and, of course, that moolah. Brendan Spain, snow in Cuse. Uh, is Cuse? You mean Syracuse, New York? Not sure what that means. Well, I'm not sure what that means, man. Oh, and by the way, folks, if you enjoy this kind of content, make sure you smash that subscribe button. New Age Investor, hey John, what do you think of nano long and short? Um, Nano long and short to me it sounds like day trading. If you're day trading, make sure you watch this like a hawk, man. If you do not watch it like a hawk, you will lose more money than you make, almost guaranteed. And as you know, on a minute chart here, it is pretty much gambling for the most part. It's gonna move up and down so fast. So I say to you, just be careful if you're gonna do that. Just be careful, folks. Just be careful. All right. Let's see right here. At Pickle Rick, we should all hype up the coin on Twitter and get it attention again. You know what, at Pickle Rick, I'm not gonna say that is necessarily a bad idea, but but I would say that is definitely self-serving though. Definitely self-serving. And you know what? There is no problem with self-serving. At Kilo Charlie, LRCX, Lam Research is into chips that EVs need, etc. You know what, at Kilo Charlie, if you believe in the fundamentals and LRCX is gonna have contracts with, like, Ford, GM, uh Toyota, etc., whatever company there, in the future, hey, you know what? They're gonna have contracts to provide these chips to these manufacturers, and hey, you know what? That could be a pretty good fundamental, investment there. But of course, do your research, man. Do your research and due diligence, and for that, you gotta dig in really deep and really hard, and it's gonna take some time. At Swaggins, John might need some more mods at the growth rate of this channel. Look at John and mods. Yeah, man. You know what? Honestly, um, I've been growing like crazy, and honestly, it was never expected. But the fact that I'm kind of growing so fast just tells me that what I'm doing here is good, and people appreciate it. So I do appreciate all you guys subscribing and liking. Obviously, the work I'm doing here, people value it, and to me, that honestly, to me, it means the world that you guys enjoy my work and you appreciate it. So it's phenomenal, man. It's phenomenal. I couldn't ask for any more. I could not ask for any more. And again, if you enjoy this kind of stuff, just smash that subscribe button, folks. King G724. Hey John, what do you think about Litecoin? I think Litecoin is a fine investment, but you know, it just be what it be for the most part. If you like the Litecoin and you like what it does, then invest into it, right? Do some due diligence. But for me currently, I'm not invested into Litecoin. I'm looking to get more Bitcoin and more Ethereum and more Cardano. That's kind of what I want to buy in the future, you know. And of course, more Dogecoin as well. But for me, Litecoin is kind of the last thing I want to buy. To be honest, for me, it's the last thing I want to buy. But again, you know, it's not financial advice. It is my personal opinion and my own personal thoughts on it. And if you like it, go for it, man. You know, there's no wrong with it. You know, there is no wrong with that. How much? It's that Boikio. How much volume in that yellow circle? Okay. We saw a spike of 4.83 million volumes, so that's pretty significant, right? That's pretty good. And now we are seeing the 50 MA being okay, folks. We are seeing the 50 MA being fought again right here, right on the 50 on the 1 minute chart right now. We're seeing a battle unfold right now, and we are fighting it. It looks like the bears really. It looks like the bears really are trying to take it back, but the bulls are fighting significantly at the same time. My God, folks, we are seeing it go green, red, green, red, green, red every few seconds. My God. We are seeing it live right now. The stick go green, red, green, red, green, red. The bears and bulls are literally fighting furiously on this minute right now, folks. Lots of fighting for control to see where it goes next, man. The extra dimensional. Cut my losses. LOL. I'm rich because of Doge. Yes, sir, man. Yes, sir. If you're investing in Dogecoin, you are still in phenomenal money, folks. In my opinion, 100%. DJ Doge, come on, bulls. That's funny. Yeah, man, we are seeing some crazy fights right now, folks. Antonio Espinosa, thank you for your time, John. You're a nice person. Thumbs up heart. Hey, man, I appreciate the love, man. You know, I really do hope you enjoy this kind of stuff. I really do, man. I really do. Paul Bradley, John is a super nice dude. Hey, man, thank you for appreciating and noticing that, you know. They always say, you know, nice guys finish last, but you know what I say to you, man? Forget that, man. Nice guys finish first, man. Forget that. Forget that joke of a thing, man. Artistic Poyos. Artistic Poyos. Oh my God. At Artistic Poyos, I think you should not be here, buddy. You should go check something out. And by the way, folks, the reason why I'm telling you guys to smash that subscribe button is so you can get notified. Is so you can get notified when I drop these hits. All right, because you do not want to miss the A through Z analysis. All right, I did it twice tonight. Okay, I went to the A through Z twice tonight, and you know that is a lot of talking, folks. Not that I'm complaining. I'm just saying it's a lot of talking. So you want to make sure you're here when it starts, so you don't miss out on it. You want to make sure you're here, so you do not miss out on it. Artistic Poyos, you are a funny dude, my friend. A funny dude. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got here, man. All right, let me go ahead and check something real quick. I'll be right back. I'm still here though. I'm not going anywhere. I just need to check something real quick in the background real quick. But I am still here though, folks. I am still here. Once I do that, I will come back here and give a quick recap of what's going on. For all the people who have currently missed the analysis, I will give you a quick recap. All right. So give your boy a quick second. I need to take care of something in the background, but I'm still here though, not going anywhere. I'm still live. I just need to do something really quick, folks. Really quick. Alrighty then. Alrighty then. Let's see here. Let's go, baby. Let's go. 30. Okay. Okay. Let's go ahead and get into it, folks. Okay. Let's go ahead and get started now. I am going to give all you beautiful ladies and gentlemen a quick recap. Once I finish the recap, I am going to end the stream because your boy is getting tired, alright? So let me go ahead and do that. Start from the daily chart here, okay? The daily chart, alright? Currently we are seeing the 12 curl down and on a MACD here, and the 26 is slowing its velocity. We are seeing a decrease in the histogram to the downside. It went from about 0.005 and now it's 0.006. So we are seeing an increase in the downward velocity in the histogram, which tells me the bears are in full control. Okay, the daily chart here, you're seeing a 50 over 200 long term. Again, long term on a daily. Dogecoin is extremely bullish. All right, so just please understand that. All right. Right now, we are seeing temporary control where the bears are taking temporary control. And again, I want to say this once, and the last time I'm saying tonight, all right? I am not trying to incite fear. What I'm trying to do is give you the good, the bad, the ugly, so you can plan accordingly, okay? The 4-hour chart now. The 4-hour chart, we are seeing the bears in complete control in the MACD, all right? The reason why I said is because we are seeing the histogram go up about 3 times actually, and then it comes down right away, and it flatlines, and it goes back down almost immediately on the same histogram. So that means in the 4-hour chart histogram, the bulls were trying to take control, and they got slapped down in the same 4-hour histogram. So this tells me the bulls are very, very weak, and the bears are in full control. This tells me that the in the near term, maybe in the next maybe 36 to 48 hours, we will most likely see the MACD cross into the bearish territory. Okay, folks, that is what it means. We'll see something like this happen in the next maybe 24 to 36 hours, just because of the strong velocity of the bears evidence in the histogram. And that strong velocity is still continuing. There is no let up, folks. So the bears are in full control in the short term. On the 4-hour chart right now, we are seeing the 50 and 200 at current price of 277 and 113. The 50 MA is reaching towards the current price of about 29 cents, okay? This means that if we do not bounce off of 27.7, that means we're going to break below the 293 support. And the way the 4-hour chart is currently looking, it's going to happen. I would say it's very likely to happen sooner rather than later, in my opinion. All right, folks. So now I will go into the 1-hour chart and see what's showing to you guys. Again, I'm just giving you guys a quick recap. If you want to see the full A through Z, when this live stream ends, you can watch it from the beginning for like I don't know how long it takes to go through it, but you can watch it A through Z. You can watch it A through Z that way. All right, on the 1-hour chart here, we're seeing the 50 MA charge towards the 200 MA, right? And we're seeing the consolidation zone being below the 50 MA. So that means that the 50 MA is going to most likely continue the downward trend, the downward trend towards the 200, trend towards the 200 MA. When it crosses, that means the bearish trend is going to start. And when that happens, as you know, this is the 1-hour chart. It takes 1 hour per stick, so it will last for some time. Do not think it will only last for a day or two. It will last for some time, okay? And just to give some perspective of this right here, the bull trend lasted about, let's say, currently the bull trend has lasted about 8 days and 5 hours, some change here. So it would not surprise me if the bearish trend lasts for like 6 to 8 days, if the bearish trend lasts 6 to 8 days as well, it's very possible, very, very possible. Okay. And on the hourly MACD here, it is looking extremely bearish before I drew the orange line here, showing you, hey, if this happens here, that means the bulls are going to take control. However, I also draw the pink line here and like hours ago in a live stream, maybe like 3 hours ago or something. And it's literally playing out exactly like the pink line. If this happens, we are going to break the 29.3 support and possibly test, possibly around maybe 27.5 to 27 cents, because that's going to be your next support. If that breaks, man, if you're a bull, you do not want to see. If you're a bull, you do not want to see 23.61 break. If it breaks, all hell is breaking loose for the bulls. All right, I just want to say that real quick. Again, not inciting fear, just showing to you guys the ramifications if that happens. Currently on the 15-minute chart here, we're seeing the 200 over 50 and a clear downward trend. All right, folks, and we can see consolidation on the 15-minute chart, always below the 50 MA. Therefore, continuing the strong bearish downtrend due to that. All right. So that's pretty much it for the 15-minute chart. And on a MACD here, we are seeing consolidation here to the downside again. Do you see this yellow circle I drew here? This is when the bulls were fighting and they lost, therefore continuing the downtrend, and therefore seeing a lower low and a higher low unfold on the 15-minute chart. So again, on the daily 4-hour, 15-minute charts, the bears are in full temporary control, folks, all right? We are in a temporary bearish cycle, and I say that's fine. Honestly, I say that's fine because the bulls need to eat and the bears need to eat, all right? If you're a bull, just see this as a dip buying opportunity. See this as a Black Friday sale. And guess what? On a Black Friday sale, you are going to see good sales. And my God, who does not like a good sale? And if you enjoy this kind of content, make sure you smash that subscribe button so you know what is going on when I drop these live hits, all right? Going into the minute chart now, the 200 over 50 is still very bearish as well. And the 50 MA was broke out of, and we broke back in almost instantly in maybe about 15 to 20 minutes here. And now we are seeing a continued downside on the 1-minute chart. So now we're going to see a lower low and a higher low in the near term. So again, a quick reiteration here. On a daily, it's bearish trend. 4-hour bearish, 1-hour bearish, 15-minute bearish, 1-minute bearish. The current trend is bearish, and literally the bears are in full control in the short term. So we need to see and wait to see how it plays out for the next few days, all right? This means that when you see pops, right? When you see pops, they will get dropped just as fast and just as fast and just as hard, because the trend is your friend, and currently the trend is in the bear's favor. So if you're shorting, you are making easy moolah, very easy. And you're going to think, oh my God, I am the best trader in the world, right? Because when the trend is with you, it's easy to trade the direction you want to, okay? Just want to emphasize that. And I want to go over the blockchain data real quick, all right? Your boy, Hey John, pays for this software out of his own pocket to give you guys the blockchain data so you can see the insight into it, all right? Because this is what the pros use, and guess what? The pros knows information is power. So I want to empower you and give you this information for 4 easy payments of free. All you need to do to redeem this special offer is smash that subscribe button, and you'll be notified when I drop these live hits. All right, folks, you do not want to miss this stuff, folks. You do not want to miss this, and I guarantee you, if you get this somewhere else, you will have to pay an arm and a leg. All right, folks. That's simple. Let me go ahead and refresh the data because we are on tap into the blockchain live. Let's see what is going on, folks. Let's see what's going on. Okay. So I want to highlight a few things here. Okay, folks. I'm going to say at a 318, minimum price range to the max price range of 326, right? Average price is 319. They hold about 5.8 billion Dogecoin, dispersed to about 81,000 people, okay? This means that if we can break 326625, this means we are going to see a nice bull trend because this is a temporary resistance based off of the blockchain data, okay? This means we have 81,000 people who are currently bank holding, and they are holding about 5.8 billion Dogecoin, which is probably about 3% of float. Again, I'm estimating that. You can do the math to figure it out, but I'm thinking about 3% or possibly 2%, but around there, which is quite a bit if you think about it, which is quite a bit if you think about it. The next two minor resistance, in my opinion, is going to be 0.292 up to 309. Okay, the range from 292 up to the high of 309 is going to be your next, in my opinion, resistance. Okay, because we have about 80,000 individuals who are currently bank holders, and they combined value about 4.9 billion Dogecoin. Okay, so again, this is gonna be your next resistance, and your strongest resistance is gonna be 318 up to 326. If you can break that, I would say the bulls are going to be in business, in my opinion. And you're seeing right here all these little green ones here, right? These are all very, very weak supports, folks. Very, very weak supports. I'm not gonna go into it because the range is 0.25. I'm sorry, 0.241 up to the high of 0.283. I want to say from 0.241 up to 283. It is a very, very weak support because we have very, very few people who currently bought in that range. All right, folks, that is what it means. And I just want to end it there. And of course, this is your boy, Hey John, where I jabber opportunities nonstop. I cover the fundamentals, aka the news. I cover the live technical analysis, which is what you saw here today. Okay, I cover a live technical analysis, which is what you saw here today, and I pay for this on blockchain data here, which gives you what the pros use. And guess what? Information is power, and power is money. If you want to better yourself as a trader, if you want to better yourself as an investor, you want to make sure you pay for easy payments of free. And in order to redeem this special offer, all you need to do is smash that subscribe button. All you need to do is smash that subscribe button so you are notified when I drop these live hits, all right? And again, it's your boy, Hey John. Smash that like button. Let's get 2,000 likes real quick. And your boy is going to call it a night. I wish you all a beautiful evening, a beautiful good morning, and I wish you nothing but the best and much love and kisses to every single person here. And I will see you all on the next one. Take care and stay safe. Your boy is out. Catch you all on the next one.